Order for Mema Kwaba Edeba Adom TV. Jumedi a wohwewe eye nkranhye jumedi. Na me amedi jumedi ho chia me edi amye so ene Apostle Dr. Nita Kotego. Meda asese ode wa fidie atoa. Ene asema mede nam no atifi semne say what controls you? Ede na ehye so. Ede na ugina so ede fatimu po. Ede na ugina so ede ye nneoma a woyo. Nia ehye so no ebekire bebe abefa. Me yak abrante akwada ketekete na ma mekire me say e ya hya wo so. So asem no kan no. O say e ya hya wo so. Mse ma me. Tere bia nya me o. Ebia na namfo ye bi. Ebia na amanfo fa benkum. Me nkwa me kofa ni fa ye sese be me kwasea. Dodo na dia dodo na ye na makoye bi me ye dan hye mo so hye wo so. Sua se obehye wo so. Self future ma me de ma me na eboam yie ahohyeso. Na to da bia me say dey na hye wo so. Many people spend their life focusing on what they have gone through or what may happen to them, and they live at the mercy of the control of their circumstances. Bebre en on abraba wo boy. Nyoma ehye won so eye ne atwam dada. Ani empo de beba enya mmaye. Ena wo bu hu konta ena wo di yawo. We de ekoye me ye o. We de atwam me de mentimi o. We de mi se we de mi mva nche no. We de fa ena wo kyan so de mi hu de beba emawu. Bebre en on abraba nyoma ehye won so eye ne atwam koye ena da wanim. Therefore, they live at the mercy of what happens to them. They live at the mercy of other people, and they are not able to live on their own terms. Dudona na sabe ni awade ye wom de besie ani empo ni obi beka ana obi beyo ana de obi nka obi ebeyo no ana ekro na brabo we dem ye wanyema ye we de wanye ni senti ha me we de ni senti ha me ni obi yo ena ni obi ka di obi anyo ene ni obi anka no ena ehyo na brabo so eba ne sa brabo wo bon wankasa won kura twere dua entwere wa brabo mu nsem asa wa brabo akɔhye nioma esisi brabo mu nioma eba besie ene nioma ankrofo eyo na manfo ka. But my brother, my sister, if you want to enjoy a great life, if you want to have a very happy life, you need to be careful not to be controlled by these 5 things. Mikobodi. So pesa brabo eye yi na edimu. O pesa we ne jipa, ne ma numa mabodi. Ema ebi nhyew enkyere bebe obrabo ebeko. Dedi kan your past. De atwam. Empanisi ye de your wo no. Sa anya o ya yesa de obi o ampa. Eya o ya no nkyere se obetwedwa asu agina mu sebe awa ho twetwede. Aya ya chese se usua de free ne atwa mu no. Aya se utimi to na montuo efree ne atwa mu no na de ode ye wo no pepe se baba we na brante o me ka se ka wo anim mu ase so na wadi nkunim enti de atwa mu no uma ne hye oso ha ekire me komo akire mu to so mienu enkrofo da foforo etemopo ene watemu a wotie o abrabo ho a empo de bubra. When you are controlled by the opinions and judgments of others, you can never have a fulfilling life. Your own limited beliefs that project on yourself. Never how would GD, then so I consider, and some will come with team, and so I begru, and also a show so no abrabo atochia. Number 4, and Kitahudia would not brabum. One year on relationships can also control you to the extent say why have a brabo a bear mobile. A crack na money, so the money, sika. San your men num when I saw Shannon so. Now one ma emubako and chiro and show a braboso. Sika and Kitahudia hodo. And no more can wide process as a bien sem fantasy quine. Empo and call for a timupo and one timu and a empo nano. I mean, for the decay. Dachino, nano. Whatever happened, you must let it go. Leave the pain of the past behind so you can face your future with a new set of competency. de atwa mu no ebia na wanhunu no yo ebia na wanhunu no ka ebia nia oye de ye wo no so nim nia oyo atwam se wo pe akade foforo na bisa ho se de kura me ne de da me nim no ma den ayo na bebia me se si fo biom bebia me din kugo me ni kugo bebia me yamfom so me nyamfom so biom na mo megina ho aye de sefata na mabrabo adim. You see, leave the darkness of your past behind, so it cannot block the light of your bright future. The atwa na kwese sum. So what do we need to the atwa mu no akosi ba bia wan hwemu a ebesi odache ehan kan. The past could be a dark past. Don't focus on it to blind your future in darkness. Your future can be light. Let the past go. Ma the atwa mu no enko. Whatever happened may be unjust. Whatever happened may be cruel. Whatever happened may be harsh. Whatever the case, reliving the events will never do you any good. The chairman ya. The chairman and some fata. The chairman ediweni. The chairman no kure amount says from. The chairman amawa catchy. Nanso fasudie bi ani ho. Se obebobo ho ejina ho atweje asu ekosi se ofamu nti. If somebody did you wrong, the only way you can win is if you let it go and move on. So be your bibi enye. So be can bibi enye kire wa de wetima ya na se jamu na koso ekonim. So what na what time a uninkunim. If you live in hate, you will never win. If you live in anger and sadness, you can never win the battle of life. If you want to win the battle of life, you must focus on building your future, and you have to start right now. O peso bravo, awadie, usikasem, wapop mili ya de chire wo nya na mama ya na papa yo ye. Na mmom wankasa nia wo kura wo nsem abayo ne ahese edimu esefata. Oh na no de na de ye wona akwasa adeso na so wo na kura wachi. The past is like a heavy burden. It's like a weight on your back. Drop it so you can be free on the journey of life. Bebre na de won ya na kura awraho na kura nto so bag o yawdie ukura bag won sabenkum awraho ukura bi atete ukura bi memfa nche e na ukura na mabrabo mu a bag ahodo na so na kura wo na ade bubra bed den na safoforo ba betimi ro nsa so mu sabenkum da so ade foforo mu ni fada so foforo mu ebi suuti ebi kura wo nan ho na foforo ba obeden e de aka abrabo ho ade papa wo anim unyan wiwe unim ni abenya enda so e wo hode ma odaachi simple ware na anko yi ne simple bibi na oyo ya odi nkuguo simple abrabo na enye yi na mpaba jamu na wonsam he ha na watimi afa foforo e de abubra. Do not let the events of the past which are now gone to ruin your future and your present. Ene ochina emuba de papa. This is the day that I have made. Rejoice and be glad in it. Ene day na mayama wo. Ma ho sepel. Mo ani nji wo mu. Na say odim say ene day eno na bibia anye esiye. Odim say na no de enye koso nanso say ene na mayama wo. Ma ho sepel na wani nyi wo mu. Che say one sepel no ani anye a abrabo hu ano. So ma one sepel no ani anye a wadwe kura besi. You see, negative thinking blocks your sense of decision. Negative thinking blocks the hormones. In Shubu Adrian, it's in a quine, say a bekenya. And unti, Wadachi no, a co. And this Wadachi, a chile, watchina, said the Abeno. Besides, once watching so make on the same. Now, no, I'm here, a man, ye know, a chance to make on the same man, saying. Now, so Jamua, when ye be, I said, what Jamu, as son or Dachin, I may ye, dear. Ana me do be sie jamu manenka wate jamu manenka awo jamu manenka enya hwe woni onyame entina
kwa Adom TV Badwam suni yadani te kote gwase ni nkwanshen samwa Edward no point so de ahyase de amaye de du so no Adom TV Badwam kase ne etodwo mu bi ya wo betini Ememu abihia ye didi wo mo ho agro dwene se wo mo etu ekura wo mo se aduro bi no wo makodi enti wo mo try ahwe akire wo mo ahu nipa ede ne kɔ ye de sansam no ebebro na fe yakɔ eye ensam foforo mu na yahwe mfimfini mantamu ene ensam ahodo bi a ekɔ na super delegate congress ekɔ so ebie kwan ede ama delegate nyina so mbetu bie eno ne nsem bi na no pay mede bro Adom TV Badwam kase midin yafia amankwa tamaklo afia ne die mutie se den nsem ne nkyeremu ete bambofo akyi nipa baako a wosusuo se abamu a wanya mfie donu enwotwe ya womo anamfo no a womutuo aka no ewo ayiem na ewo western region no obetumi aboa manhwehwemu akoso pa na obi nim bambofo no se bia aduro bi na mamu na no wo mabosese wo makodie no wo try ahwese tuo no ye adwuma ebo wo mo mbewu ana se enwu a amenam so baako afiri mu Adom TV kase etwaso
Posifo dia betudwa no wo mo kyerese onya ne nte yese etu ototo bi ekoso ewo ayem osana abosome de toso adununum ya enipa baako ehwede ne nkwa na mrantie nsia ena na kyerese wo mo akwakodi etu aduro ne senti wo so ahwa wo kogina reversubiri ano na bra wo so wontuo no ahwe na na wo de etu ehye Emmanuel Kweku a wadi mfie adunum yenu ensem edi aboba baako ehye mu a okyere ne se onto a wotutuo na ena bo amokwadwo a wadi mfie adunum wotwe a ofiri ayem na nso ekamia yese adura na amokwadwo ekyerese wadi no anye ye ema ne hwere ne nkwa aposifo akere Emmanuel Kweku ya sese wo bo wo mo amoye mu hwehwemu na wo bo modin bi ya se wo no anaka ewo kasafonyene ne mu nso obekere wo mo esanse wo de wo ho akanwura okire mu se de bepie sa asem mu bia no obema Ghanafo aso ate enkrata aposifo de abetudwa no wo mo kyerese onya ne nte yese
kitafo ebebia wombu afuo sesese de executives mfimfini mantamu national regional ene constituency executives no adana di pefe akyeremu de obeye won franka tuni ewo mfiempino ene adonu nan wo my Ghana mu nti won mo grassroots no so eni baabi asese penalty no won bebo afa Adom kase ne won ekasai
wawande sisi a wabeka woto abenwe wabeka first 5 no central region yenim other regions.
These are our constituency and the regions. I want to decide who will be the hopeful flag bearer for 2024. So, you watching now. Yeah, sure. Honorable candidate Japan there. On Yaza, Yababa to Canada, Yabeshaman, Ama, Wadzun Kunim, 90, we breaking the 80 with Tumwab. Into your best central region of Umehi and Kahakuma in front of you.
Kaneswafo anu wo hwe gender children and social protection so ya onu kreye sanhwe Aguna West emrahye Cynthia Morrison kyeremu se ono de aba woto ye no woto ma nia MPP amanyukuufo ma ya wonom ewa asie nyina edpe no
admato ama nyipa why wo ha hu feeling de de nyipa ne yeto aba na amantimato ama imdo oba win nanso sa wan win ko a Ghana yan hihye na MPP yan hihye nyipa oba win be nyina ye kabom na yeto aba nti de nyipa no so de enyim de ye wie bibia ye na 4th of November yokoto aba na oba win na obedi Ghana enyim
kojo asemani eka Kennedy Japan campaign team no ho nsem a wodi tudwa no enie
in your 4 digits but I know we got 19 out of the 54 or 55 that voted, and kind of disappointed because we expected central region they will call up more than this, but it is what it is. Match the other regions too, we are coming second, so that's what we want. We want to be in the first 5 by the grace of God.
Ahafumantam ni mujam tinani de ma MPP kwabno wusu seche na wasinani haje pa ye Congress course super delegate Congress na course on basa bia NC awie nkunimdie oni Adom kase edi nkomwe
election course one for na mudia that say aya so sabi omo mbeto aba omo ye party for panyimfo a omo do kura the various constituency and the region omo ena akasa asubia e wo ha ena me die dia one to say obi adura sabi party for no ena akasa
sede abato no esikoye ene emma enipa du ne nyina enyaye no ene mu nsem nyina no so owura yi ede mu nkyeremu sei ene to yamane boni enim
Since the party to Akasano, and no, and I, election.
James Nenny at the Ma Accurate Giant Company Limited. A year ora. One kasa fa de ato no ho so woni na adwuma ko no oboase adanse so kwa kwantempono bi e wo hono mu a ne bobre mu no enye nti wo mu akasa esiesiesa ekwan no sebaya adehia 24 ya wo mu fa so obetimi akwa abajojo adom kase pie ho etoso
we minim se ne eti bi aban ba ma contract de but hwe se ne na nsen su to na putu sakase ne wo han anye kura mesusu me ka fa ha bi enenti me hu ye na ha me na esre se ende me fa to mu so na mabọ kakakra na do yengu ne kota batris potro se wo mu a ema ne ye danger tikwita bi ba na wa belo kene ade na
PRO ewo AG company enso ene amane boni etwetwe nkomo no ene wadi tu ja se Ashanya efasa kwantempo no so no edoso pa esansa kwan no ene ka wono mu a ofi oboase ekwa akra Cape Coast ene emia eka ho no efaso ne senti ehu behia sa aban ba be yi amamanfo
for more than 150 years na so wo hwe kwan ya nam so is so embarrassing anyway so what yes you best say aban no papa no come on kwa wo do ma contract na quite smooth because so mama can say makuchu no pena me boss here discuss the economic benefit what's akwan we so ka bie fi akra eko boss akwan we so offer AGFO so or the food na ebo so the one there na ebo eti ka bie fi boss eko Campus before boss kwa siposu before boss kwa akra nyina ha no mofa
no akiri ena hyenkafo bi a wonum di akwane aba ewo kwan so ani amane boni twetwe nkomo
kwani haye esese gas no chese amra dide kwani mkura no yeduru akura na ne ase nipa ne yanyi wo mu ya ne ensan na ye hunko kwana sese gas bebre
madawro mamoncha na munya mai anamo so ya kan nyina de faso enra kase ka nya sam kutwa kwani de enye moncha na munya mai
Atopa festival ya fashe bia ekoso ogomu afete na mpempi no ya na edu so a etototo ammunitions no mni ade ni nyina ya mamre no ebia fiwe mu mpanifo ayere se mfi akade wo manim no de sa ne ma no de wo mu sososo wo se yetwa ne nyina mu ni akoso wo ho Adom TV kase ediba
ase yes slow bibia se mon fa live bullet here the embeto obeto a ebe ma police fire there acho agf from sem obi a obetutu obi onto gunpowder na ye nuanum so omdi moto ba ebe so pon woni panum no oba filling station ho kwan obetimi apark moto ho ana pe bi anu wagesi ho na moto no so emblast wo kroma yentimi ndi afahye ne fefefe
enwachi ayimfo nkoma bi so ene Adom kase atwetwe enkomo na wanu disem bia wodi tuja enie
se wo dress yi efise eno ye amamre ba eno nkyere se ye tudin se e ya topaninti na wa shatare bia keke se wo de ba eno no eba ne sa ense emfata ena nkyere obuo so ma nanano mo
ye de nyama sisi akwan bra se didi na se epeda to kira wa betu da akoto na ye di ebu ama.
We are working on a strategic plan right now so that we can develop a timeline that will help those understand when and how they can get involved in the continent and building the continent to where it should be.
Ora Vincent upon Asamoah ye Doma West Mrashe Bedwani wonu afa de ato ne ho so ye mechanized boreholes ne wells ahodo bedua sanum de the constituency ho nkoto ahodo bi ho a wo mo hia bi pa nti wonu a ye de ama wo mo ne afoforo bi e ka ho a ono Adom kase e di nkomoi
nsuo hu sam ye de ne mahempa se de bia na ye nanti kosi nsuo no no oye hawo mahem bebre kwan pa ni etwa yetu twa kwan ba 5 hours ni akope nsuo nti ne ye bre pa nsuo hu de ne ye bre pa nti ye de mpi oni ni pefo ye do mo asepa so mo etum aya de kase ye pa mo ahye nyinem se
de ya ho chiri nsuo ho pa ye ho betoye pa ye ho betoye ye bubi koranum mini akro bia wo menche ntare twi mini so ntare twi mi ama ko bi ansa na meko afumi
ana ye fa ha umpa etimma ye late abra ye ko school e yakọ sa kuro no so akosa aba ansana ebetima adwara akọ kwansin be so
Doma West Emrashibidweni Vincent Opon Samoa eni amani boni etwetwe nkomo no na wodi tu just say science opese manfo enya apomudene enti no woboa am wonum enya nsupa anom
na me hu say ade ayo mo top priority pa na issue potable water eni ti egu so bebe wa yintimi ye we bi ebi okra edu agisa we handagwell Chrono, they can see they do not say still our community say Ghana that's so underground. But we are well to move the relief because so cause all the reggae prayer kwa it went this one kukutunsi no before na ya dia mawu.
Enoch Sunday Atiku, a deputy country director e Madam for Ghana Foundation, Nensama wodi tu dwano eni.
Member of Parliament award Doma West to enkrase watime de libo ho redicum ba am say akopem nti oso frese mana ho gana betin abebo ama mpana ba na hu se ko no hia mo apa se bo so
Asante hine otumfo so itutu ya wotosu mienu aye krado so obedi animu na ya pesika $10 million na ya de SCSA eye Comfort Teaching Hospital no patient ward anya 70 years I just say yenyen sakraye bia wo mu eda fi se ne bobre name no enkoye ebubu ani Adom kase etwaso
Right, Great
Hospital.
Rich Hospital.
University of Ghana Medical School.
You know, go up.
February, see, and then Nelly Badugo Nekoba. Yo, in baby cry when you know to say. Train me quite a fast way. You said that I was saying, come on, near to me, EWC.
Yo,
now you can say, you're going to do a friendly opinion.
Yo,
Foto na ambo bia de nipa kwa ambo mahwe jo se na konfa no chiti jo se na be jo tini afrem so no bo am
Professor Ochiri Adaimensa eye CEO ewo konfa no chi aban ayaresabia wadane di say brana abrofu ebu omanyi epenso ene wosi ayaresabia no esi honomo ne senti ache ya adan ni bi wo honomo krempo a eho apapai ne senti eho behia se wonom ebe nsisi adwumadie ewo ho
enkonkodu next year nyame Adom na ye 25th anniversary na ye empire ye bon say one block kra na yetimi ya ye ne nsa akire so say eno commemorate the 25th anniversary of our king say nyina ho baba be kra be na beboa ama ahomdi adwuma nana e di ahye nsa ye betimi aye ama nyam kese e di aba be share santima
Adom TV Badwam kase na guso ehwe na obi ohono mu ebe ne fere pa semfishi aduasa ensia na okura memu enan obaka akotena sukuu dam so osua de nanso ne won kwanta south no abayo otesa wawo memu nan ete kwatro nso hwe ni bi Adom kase ne no edi nkomoi
was a child when my father sent me to school. When my father passed away, and you know we concumbers, if your father just passed away, they will stop you for schooling and they will give you a man to marry. By that time they were forcing us, and then there was exchange. If you didn't go, your brother too will not get a wife. So they forced me for a man to marry. You can follow them to the place. When I started giving birth, and the man started beating me, treating me anyhow. Anytime I would turn to my uncle, and they will still send me back again. I should go back. Like that, and I said, no, they won't go. Because the man wanted to kill me. And one day I was thinking that, now, if I go to my parents, and my parents will sack me, that I should go back. Now I decided to kill myself and kill my children too. And I was there and I called my mother. My mother told me that I shouldn't tell myself, I shouldn't go anywhere, I should come.
One more, one mami ejina class ba.
Mayinjina no so na Adom TV Badwam kase ye anopa ya hana brema kwan na media sie media fia amankwa tamaklo ye kurei ye nkoi mi twame ho sime ya bana kwasinsian so aye krado ha the bonkrata online stories ye de bebro ntu adaroma enyi free ha kra twen sesia ye ba Better say, I'm running out of idea. Odia Maya, Brano so we pay so out to me joining live on Facebook, Facebook/Adom TV. Ya demo live on so ewo ho. Shannon so we are good your monster health tips and so ebeba depression higher drain and na ebedi ho enkomo na watch you nyina no ne topic a ye treating. Ti honorable Bismarck akwasi ensia enso ayekrado. Me mo ache.
Mejo so
afia. Bibia boko de.
Boko na nso e.
Awo nyankopon adom. Bia is fine.
What I'm so fit from top to down.
That's it.
I crabby be muye. San ouchi every echo ye.
Oh, Yamiadum. I hear so I be do need dear. Yamiadana queen.
Yamina danasi. And send ubia so adiachi the end that was said Yamena ye. And Yami sika and ye boafo. You'll be boy. Tiemfa ko don't queer jumaso. Yemfam queer jum. Yemfam queer sukumu. With a mindset say ye ko boa ye mind Ghana nyamenam so e de echire
amen
obie no afia o sika chen ne man etomani di ya na abedi ye etiem presi ye ma betimi di ye ne man mu ye die ene me nso etumpon go wo sika da man as inflation tisim se gbanya sika be kuma bi tie nye ya fam de na Ghana enye ye nye krabehwe o kotena adwuma men kotena be enko nondu na mpondu mienu so bosumi so na so akatwa ma na wo kem na yamaga na ye efia this week trending issues video bi ohono na yama hwefo nya kwai ne hwe video ne ntiemu nsem ye wia ne ababedi honko hwe video yi
oda ya ne kusi se yes me da en de kusi ye ne se ne akoto aba no na enipa 900 atoa ma enipa maako 4 I'm saying this me say enna file so
yeah you program here recorded no problem
sa enipa 4 no na de odi first no the whole delegate in Brofi BFN leapfrog na obi abel leapfrog no abaye a presidential aspirant
susu bi o say
me say enipa 900 na ekoto aba no omkoto aba no mato ma enipa 4 a qualify the odi first now we resounding victory in this special delegate conference no yakoto general election na obi leapfrog na abeye presidential candidate for the New Patriotic Party. Me put it on record.
I didn't see it.
Me daye does not fail. And then 12 July 2023. Me say abana ye kwa kotum special delegate conference no.
Okay.
E nipa 900.
But we na nipa 5 and I qualify.
Nipa 4
out of 10 no.
10 no. Nipa 6.
And me
go through.
Okay.
Ne yakoya last election na
November 4
election na nipa na unya emphatic victory. I'm emphasizing emphatic victory no. Na obi free chiri abeli frogo. Leapfrog ne say I had a dream yesterday evening. When I'm person with the two honum no.
Oda ne kusi say
yes me da en de kusi ye ne say ni akoto aba no.
Etiafia so for your friend the prophet Pokusi apia.
Oh okay.
So for ya
MPP ni ana. We are no okase
yekoto no. So penny work charisma in Temple International Ministry.
Okay.
Odisan komo we on 12 July 2023. Oh, want to me radio, want to me TV. Oh, komase. Any prophet nim komo ni mpe enchiremu
because we for so na
so pepe and they go through.
It's a leapfrog no hono ni.
One they call leapfrog go be. Prophet you can watch her pay e ba bedwam djumadi so.
So
yeah, that say waji brand e betwin ko ka opagya oni kakra ma ya ka de beje pa
about you.
Papa ma yentiase nipa 4 and be qualify for the first round. AC pepepe. Who can't leapfrog na e de ade. Ase che say.
Wadawma. Enye bibia na metimi ma menchia mahwefo ne motiefo.
Yes.
Na enye bibia na sebi metimi achire mu bebre. If we say enkasa ene niema bi akoso na sebi senya adum mpo a nkebe den sebi ankasa bi na kasa so.
Yes.
Die estini nyina emfa ni munyam emenyame na yɛmfɛn munyam emotias wonya kupon ɛwɔ de waye ho na emom the radical ye when you perform no be adru omoto abano wie no me meka ne se wium se de ne siti no niema asesa esi enti me hunu se ebimo eguso a omonso eye adwuma sunsun fam ti dynamics na asesa e wo wiem e free and I know Saturday no at the time I know pay a tiabano so aye
eti asesa from leapfrog no to nipa na onya resounding victory na so onu na be side nkudibie akwa na prophet
yes
maybe say
they see there make me a cafe
okay
nipa na wodin kan no
yeah
eno kureni ebeye din se obi be kache no ebeye din ise se duwa hunu niema biye eno wa hunu ntutu ye biye eno wa hu omu ebo mpaye ma no so aye ho niema nti ebeye din sunsun from minim gesesi ya no ewetini ayama sebi de na wo se dane no niema bi eto sini ema de na nko betumi afa ho adane no ebra ono eka asembi efa mampani ho asabre na ewiem exercise sabre no nti metumi akaso mu a ebom paye ma vice president no aya de wo wiem ye amano pa fise sankasa na free owura kana di Japan ama kaba no November no na nkebe ye tempa
neka ken Japan na ka leapfrog baumia.
Yes, kebe
prophet die na ama a free memene da no ebesi nei nyame asesa na adwen ewo yi kire o da de kire wo on the 12th of July.
Soon from every seconds, every minute beyond a would in America and a would in America. Soon from they see I no kase obi Sabrin so me no kase ya obi Sabri will be 2 points. Sabrin so ebia obi so ebia ya refuse no. Enti anytime beyond a would soon from Nyame den eye. Enti nema bebre na akoso a free Friday no anajoa ebepem enra kwesi na eneyin so a metimi akase omu a edistase ba ne Bible ebompaye ma vice president no no kureni omaye adwuma abompaye menyame so ati omompaye bon
prophet wasi a wokasa edika na o se enkasaye bi akoso eye sunsum nkasaye anase obi na afro no wadi nkomo after prophecy ba bonten
Radis mama yeko hene wase ko katre ne sene onya ne nsama tie na obewu aha intibra odi tu nenim na odifo no ensane emfra banso na an ifom eno katre ne se eno kureni sa kokko katre o hene se me din fiese aka no ho
okay
ede ne si ya ema sebio nyame ohene no ekasa ya emenya metia ba raden so dimwa foforo koma odifo no eti metimi akaso mo ebompa ye ma ora ala o medini hamo eno ma na ebompa ye ma Kennedy so edini hamo BBS ti die wedin kunim no obesa atwomumu a ebeyi hukura
Professor Obika se Dr. Alhaj Mahmoud Baumia apay ni way through you so obesa wadwen wosa adiye ba ehu a obeyi ano say
I know the me say openi wo sesi amene wodi nkomo yi sebi me nyame bie mani na me ho bi fa ho na me ka eye papa oboni o na otu anamoko nipa no ho a obebusan se de na prophet o ka fa me hu de na wose me nyam fa ho ana de na wose ye ya na enfi
okay
enti make me aka sebi anamontu so akoso na ma bibi nso asi
eti prophet de bai no Dr. Baumia anase ne ho nkrofo bi aba wo nchen am wotu ho na ma wo sunsum ntina ma ne ma asesen
ana make us mint me mo obidi anampenifo obidi but make me aka say omu a ene vice nam no omu a eye adwuma ma no no sebio omu ya sutie ne asomre
so omu bi aba onchen and oma fro no wadi nkomo
no de menka but de menka so ma ya asomre ne radin so ati
senior sofo na wo ka se bibi sesa owiem anytime any day no so it means say enye conclusive say yebeka say ebeye den say enema betimi asa asesen biem
sisi ade ne asi wo wiem no anase aye no aka
asa na nyame aka akire wo
ebetimi ama sebi mampani abedi akire na onya vice mayor fagbara no na enema bi wo honom from on the 12 na kopem sebi na ebe 17 to 18 na najo but we are na yewu no ana hunhun from overtaking is allowed
yeah
ne na wo so ye no waye amanyame atie no na we nyina ba
it just say nyame aka tell say ne wada di kira we eye sealed ye ho hwe a enye ye
de keka kono ane ne mahu no even free na jobe primo nei no ebeye den se sisia pripime ewumi obia oba wo no ne mampania bedi akiri gina abatoa obetinye di ne sunkuni
en se kere Japan so tu anamon na otwe ben ne nyankopon ne nyankopon so kasa bibia ntimi sa asese biem
aveni Adom FM and Adom TV, nye TV ketwa.
Yeah.
The drone de men na ne manopi. Ana mem nye ho hwebiem. Enyina de kina na yantunye na yatuwe no wie November.
Yeah.
Na pepepa meba be kire de obeba be ye ba omianra na imi. Meba be kan de se.
Prophet say esesa enkoma nyankopon eni atro ewo wudi mu nti.
Ensesa senyametiasi ensesa yebeto awie ni ato 2024 ni ebehu omo anyamiafo mo ewo Ghana
se na wo ye se yekoto a amadumanyam sa se prophet ye NPP ni anase na wo kan dia support party for yekoto aba no
me de obi a follow me bi enim se
okay
sebio ma yebeto asie dunketi aba mo niamo kesben mo eba even me no bia omo kasai kan se asie dunketi abetwe sebi ofusuampo fumu elde baby a sebio me ba bontin be kan se wo na bodu sevia me na be ba be NDC national organizer obi a watesi me bia menya one sided me ba bontin be kan se mama ebenya 96% dufu gina we nyina dia kan be ba be kan isisa enti nye eno na me ehwe sai bia me ye MPP and NDC nemum dia nya me be kan
and I'll catch up manfo Matthew prophet you better say
yes me da masepa nya me ne monye
prophet Pokusi apia ti efia assistant ewiemu assistant so from assistant say from Saturday no ABC enne
was it from Friday
from Friday ABC enra more especially enra assistant na anode
na me na kasa nkwa na me tell say prophet na me ka so daye o so daye
o say adiyem ni nyina prophet na on a dream ya eti prophet ena kasa say na ka eye Kennedy ohina Japan ena ka etwa Dr. Alhaj Mahmoud Bawumia ho but from Friday no
prayers na no aye
ebesi Sunday no
niema asesa
Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia en ho ka nim crofo na sofo eka ho ayem paye ho adwuma amene wie mu asesa mo se aye sealed no si bibie nu a ebema no
mo mi antwe nyame ai
November 4th
se kware na aye se yedi nyame ho fo but me no ja me ya he ma be jaji obi nti ye hwe de nyame na ba ye nyame no ohata so no ayi ne de dada nti ye hwe because when the way can with vim ne amopai interview ne ba ye na slow but all the same Ghana no one you careful now say maintain by the time I realize na say e no anu no papa e kasa bi mu na wa hwe be wie na voices na different ye nko ni say yeah why eti ha na kwesi emfansi ya da semre ne adaje amunya de hwe ye koi Professor Ike Wallace di agudie mo nsam eba health tips na wochi depression obia one way or the other be depressed action on den ye nim komo ne ye hwe kwan ye be fa so atoto ye ho agro ahosepe enso baba mamboatema ye krado ono so de beto aso asemidi kan wo ho na fe mpensem mu so abanti emre wo ho de ababia wo ko bia no betimi ahwe ye da se ye kwaba
Akwaba kesi me ba Adom TV so Adom TV so bi dwumadi so dia o kensi ho sempa nsa kana no pa so ja me di Enoch Kwasi Wolanyo Wallace akudi catch back pe the only nomenclature professors degree in sports the Regina Wallace the nation's presenter and medicine kunyana me kono quantum coding some outdoor nsa kana no pensu bio e wo Ghana akudi ejao chene so ma me se o ka kire o yere o ma wo fasefo na na mukrumu ne mpnafo nyina se prof nya trans yede community mensa ba bitia boa emene so agro no etia de nyuma ko mienu omo ana ebo echido medicine share so kwetwen se jao Richoko se modern da person start to dey right there Richoko ye keto ho ya de ntem na fi obode ho a won setimi ka bia nkola ne bitia no na boa ema omatimi enya nourishment hu bi hia na o start o dey right in a Ghanaian way eno pon a game park limited phone paying for e de chacha so kwetwen sa ba boys dia e di no enya asem keto kra anopa bes no nkron e wa Adom TV so no sabetia kasa draw 12 p.m. so sabetia kadro na fe so enwumere no nsia so draw no enso 8 saba so tipo modern da na game park games no o se more mula more power o na tech da bo medicine share so kwe etenjao yenko Patrick Osajman countryman songo stick and elisha se na no pedia ma na ohun sema odo a eno so 8 saba. Hello Patrick.
Fantastic morning, Professor.
Yeah, good morning.
Bia Bokori.
You what you see bia boko.
Over the weekend, no less, a normal kwa. Yes.
Yeah, Muzenia Manqua.
I'm Ibrahim, Big J.
Okay.
A few Maryland about.
Okay.
Yeah, it's never be added than class.
Okay. You say, oh, dive like a monkey.
Yes, you dive like a cat or a monkey. So we are goalkeeper. Now we dive in Yakura and Yafa, and Chile so a good goalkeeper. That's it. Prof. Anania make a good goalkeeper. And diving, anticipation. Because goalkeeping is acting.
Yeah, because even
acting at work. You got it. You got artistic way. You got to be able to dive like a cat or dive like a monkey. Yeah. And I would dive like a cat just to make sure someone say, "Put a ball until over the weekend, me training grounds now. Yeah, maybe bumping into 2 hours of football leagues now. Me no more. Experiment.
Who's that?
Who's the right time? The idea of my mouth work with the airport.
And okay, who's on a background crown who now with me that we can only call Boko who's a park and cry bear. So I say, Sakasaka Park.
I said park and near Busnia Park and
yes.
My David, oh, the father go that with the wherever may I go straight to Blasters. You understand? Yes. My first take, you go straight to Blasters. And over your national team, Blasters, I mean, we would want quality players. Players are informed players. And informed players, and you play Biana, Ayana, Okuta Kukudono, it me poor national team, and I said, you can't motion our national team. And you will need a coach, the BB will be. You understand? Coach, tactics. Coach, discipline. Coach, how to go about setting the team. Coach Nankasano, he should be philosopher. Coach Nankasano, also Utimi, and Swadebi. Yeah, that is why football, coaches. I mean, it's being won by coaches. Despite say yes, players, woman walk part of the sooner, woman should go in the but coach. And I formation and I said this and I said a player first to a video opponent ye bit me ase opponent and I mean coach who here ye pa coach who here ye pa ti who fa coach e the amount national team enye bibia keke enye bibia keke so I'm expecting Chris Hilton to obet me a lifting national team Black Stars no up obet me after quality players based on merit performance and also character players who put that character to play the national team to make sure that Black Stars ebet me as a pija ejina you understand AFCON qualifiers easy Eddie Ghana anytime I was here for African Cup AFCON because more than 20 times we've been able to qualify now football obia humbo anything ama any AFCON qualifying in the Ghana we need to draw or play or win against Central African Republic you understand and I mean that is September 7th and we have to make sure say you know you have good football and not just your free players be na boom 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 to bidi you huni eko na the Black Stars are qualified you qualify no game party no players na kwa influence selection as a you know amount for coach players one fa you be do African Cup na AFCON na je ya re group stage countries they say Comoros mo kwa no say itimi hye wo mo no mo na hye you understand Gabon ni itimi hye wo mo Morocco ni itimi hye wo mo any just say it shouldn't be the case here so you perceive ko AFCON ni ko break that jeans that 40-41 years itimi nye there then we need players with character players who betimi a standing occasion now Wokumasi Sports Stadium September 7th no at all costs we have to win and we have to play good football show off say yes you perceive your Black Stars so it's all depending on coach Chris Hilton now to give us the best of players Chris Hilton should make sure say Obama is the best of players you understand now Black Stars ever before against Central African Republic and coach you know as much as we are giving him the support you know on making sure say on one kasa it has been time what me I monitoring local league in Kwana the two teams bought African Cup Confederations Cup and the Champions League the African continent and no to me they qualified dreams in Mediama players are they good or more character no or make me a ball Black Stars yes local boys able to me Black Stars no when talent a woman they support it is any other foreign based players now almost be to me the Abu Black Stars so that first selection fireman and Asongo may call it the Black Stars that first selection sa agency selection sa Mikobusa coach so will be interfere coach see there be Mikobusa F4 so mu interfere coach almost there be no engene correct and the kasa keke almost there be we see there be no kasa keke omunim say Black Stars ni ekunye pa selection bad selection poor selection otia see and free players with character players almost separate to the national team that is what Chris Hilton didn't anyway no akasa to me who the tactics in the formation or head or what my Black Stars so far the ball our bringing now you me who and I want to see him well no say more money here so called football people including team manager that's all Black Stars ever boy in Tibia September 7 team manager Aminu Shadow ebie na no say coach no abunya ya no de call World Cup no pe na we die nka wonya de na no de call World Cup no mum to aswa still ye bobo team manager we that's all team manager we Aminu Shadow that's all as team manager e bad we plan it say so called football people omunim no moye omunim rules and regulations omunim professionalism and by this time team manager also free up because I mean team manager who Black Stars players so ni coach technical team now criticize the coach he said coach no hu but coach or the call World Cup now hu by this time what's the team manager in Ghana for and go up in the to that's the team manager train say next month September 7th, Black Stars against Central African Republic. Net team manager, net technical bench, or can a Christian, a back. When it is a footballer, say football,
okay.
If the Black Stars and so, okay. Elections, no, clearly say, to about ye, delegates, to about football, no, to about ye, because football, no, fan to create, and international say, national teams, I say, local football, so I say, 1 p.m. and now we are, Mushiano fire for fire.
Okay.
More fire. Me Dean Patrick Osajima, you can call me Countryman Songo. Songo's taking on the professor. More fire.
More fire. Ti Patrick Osajima, Countryman Songo, and the Songo stake 8 months. I bring him saying, "I'm Adom Black Stars against Central African Republic." No, it beats me. I selections. It beats Yabwa. Emma Ghana. I qualify for African Cup of Nations. It beats Yabaswola Côte d'Ivoire. Yan to us so far. Kumonika Kranso 8 months. I'm ready. Na Shenosoma me say Ukuma Chelsea 2 and Afen Soluton Town 0. Manchester United 3. Nottingham Forest 2. Now for Newcastle 1. Liverpool 2. Yaba Spanish La Liga. Villarreal 4. Transima Baduna 4-3. And after Celta Vigo 0. Real Madrid 1. We any matches out and also 8 p.m. honum. Na Mediama Sporting Club for CAF Champions League against Kesinim. Na Omodi against the 20 times so no match Remo Stars for 3-2 on penalties. Oma qualify for the next phase of the CAF Champions League. No Confederations Cup and so team Omodi Dream Football Club on Krahano. Omani Milo team no Fi Guinea and about 2-1 Ewa. Also qualify progress to the next stage of the competition.
Ghana Frank Hano Mupeja. Nena no a Remo Stars for iba my Ghana muhano media ma show mo kaba kwa mo ntumi ante na second leg no abrewa yi puma kwemu na wotwe wiye omosande boss wo Nigeria enam so na Remo Stars ekoto twede kane ye di dimu ana ye de call to preko enam so nti media ma onya na 3D mu wotwi fa Remo Stars for so eka miensa ema mo timu mienu we kire se media ma ekọ na nimo Champions League ni mu a ye hwe ni mu so benya ne opponent na next round no wakosi akan Mediama bobo konugura urane dia Moses Amapaka edi team na chikopie mo Nigeria ode nsem tu dwase ne ne agipa efa ne nkunimu a ebobo ko ne di no
ye hu se match we Ghana versus Nigeria o hu se team no so se Mediama get me ni ma Ghana ye hu se Ghana is number 1
na edu ba bi no na nkofo fu sanke betimi ahye before say be call penalties
you had the chances look at the dangerous chances, but football not copying by now. But that's football. Football, sometimes game.
Mediama, ewo Nigeria no. Na dream says you of my Ghana more. And come Puriman Timu Agro Pamakasiano. Omoni Guinea Bobo Kuo ne Tiati Milo FC. Etiapomu. Dreams FC 3 year. I can't say the query no more dim kunimba kaminu. Ya Remo Stars way Atimu Bako. A coach Edima Dreams FC. A current you to send a niajepa. Ne plan ne tactics o digu akwan no players ni di so a ne omate ho de e call manim or Confederation Cup ni mu
psychologically I told the boy I asked him what do you have for me today he said to qualify are you sure you said it's not me so go and do it so even when we were down I told them it is not over until it's over so here it is not only the tactical or technical the coaching issue. It's our psychology. You have to start them. They said we want to win. So we went to the dress and said, hey, we said we win. We are left with 45 minutes. Go and win for them. And then they won.
And the Mediama Sporting Club now face so Dreams Football Club CAF Champions League ne CAF Confederations Cup no mdio mani chirima omo el cruise to the next stage of the competition. Na Kudus Mohammed enso ye Ghana ni abrantie ba kwa osi akan de ma ayas bobo kono na aso beko aso nkonkoma ene APM afa Kudus no chese we completing the deal na hefa anode ni echire. Say abrantie Kudus ana hotel ne kaso de nkomo 8 fensa to we completed the deal de ni echire West Ham United for akachi akobwa Emaniama etia koyi edia mom na no ada ana ede ani kire 2023 World Athletics Championship na sinema koyi amfama Ghana ba kukura sei entia fata polikura mbafie ne no ana eye Ghana ni abrantia watumiri kabra ne penidini Emmanuel Tufo kora ana mafo bono samane fe no chese Ghana yensisi ehuye amfa nkwa kensi nti ana sunsunso abeni
ana ya amwa wo so other countries omutumi kanyina country ni support you support big time and I cross your nose on your 8 so we can support 8 at least say per se bibia let me say this next year you host all African games yes into say preparation say starting in I'm sure almost say you ni betina match na ba
Ntines World Athletics Championship Nema Ekonwe Seno ana Emmanuel Tufokura ono so de ne nkomo eja ho na we su ne gina na de ne so nkomo na si Richuku etechina fi Game Park Games wo so ebo echido me distance so kwetime brewo within the Enoch Kwesi Walanyo wala sagudi catch back ope and am gina mudi of course evidence based sports and teaching timejao ya kana do so oba Adom TV so atim sampa nkomo eba no edo so pa boatma ed entertainment eba ye de yen kansu krada na afi ode mu cheche mu bibire na 18 eba ntimisrew enko ba bia modern ada so between Central TV ho no ahwe Adom TV within the Prof Wala sagudi catch back ope the act of being a good guest is to not to say goodbye.
Badwam TV, Badwam so health tips. Ne braso sana watching so yedi nkomo ehwe depression ehun. I am say depression there one way or the other will be a go through be. Bibi kakere wo nsa na de ya no my depressed no mni ade de akra na de sa depression no eba. Na watchi eno nkomo a ye ba bedi ye wo yen clinical psychologist wa ha Dr. Adom Boache. Obabe boye no cheche ni nyina nti by the time ye bedu fiada no na niema de ba ebebo so de banyina no ne ate ho ase ne atwe ho de afrim simenu mu ye nche na chese ye di nkomo no ewie nti nye fidie no mfiri ha koso na ehwe bemena ye mo akwaba da bibia bokode
Radio Adom na won so
oh nyankopon Adom ye da se enenso ye bo mu waje ye nso na wotwe mu ye so ye pese oboye as a psychologist there. Depression yete ho nkomo bebre yete ho asem yakeka yeka say depression eno disorder na say condition be ya
right me da say ye can depression ye can we twi mu ye fa ne say areho mro so
okay
areho ne gu ahodo ye mfa ne say mienu bibia tumetu ye ne areho ebia obi akoye exam so ampase obi hwesika bi ani ma medru etumi ma no reho nanso ye ka depression na ya reho mro so empempi no esi wo obi abrabom ema nneoma bi a ye beka causes ne symptoms ho but symptoms na edadi ewo obi a wa depressed no toaso be na otwe be mienu temo a ensesa nti ni bibia oye no mpempi na symptom a okoma me yehu se ne reho abroso ana se wanya depression no eno etoatoa so eche unlike obi a ne reho enne na bibi adekra o hwe animu no na woni nsa aka na reho no to atwa no obi a wa depressed de ade etoa so che enti mpempi ya reho mroso a emaye boto ye basa ye reho ni nyina aka symptoms no said dem kind nti dru ha ye bebobo so ye ka depression na no kran so ne say e kan ye ho said ye o kan na kan ye ho abribia in fact o hwe wi ase afa na nyina we nipa miensa si wa chances are that by the time nipa no free ne mofra se enkodu ne mpani fie so no na 1 out of 3 are clinically depressed nti na che say na reho no aye de abroso a ehia se hospital emwa ebam
nti we nurse any obia etiminya bi obia krakra etiminya depressed
obia in fact even ye eho adwuma no yenso we are not out into obia ye prone to obia betumi anya depression
no so eba say ya wo na ehwe o
se emwa na moje we ho no yenso ye ko ye nuanom a wo nso eboa enti se me na enne me go through depression na e was me nso me call professional ono at the moment or capable of betumi ahwe me
okay nti boboni ma hodo e mani pa depressed apart from wo school e bia nso hwe bia sanka o pass one pass e de ebiem so be ma onipa ko awerho a ebruso
okay enti da ye konema ye stressful enti stressful situations I go through no say obi o want me and deal with that say you drew say dey me kan you drew say ye can symptoms no ho a ye hwe the biopsychosocial enema biologically to me emma ye depressed we are by nature of who we are for example ofa oba ekwa awo so a awo num kra no otumi depressed
okay
and apart from that say obi wo family history of depression e bia na busuamu obi o depression and any other mental health issue and also they are more likely to be depressed.
Any young fancy had because ni nyina no be hye weeks no days na aka no monti na de no young fancy ye beto so na te so chana no ya hwe de ma depression no e ba yen so enti ye ne doctor Boachi Adom ena AD enkomoyi clinical psychologist oboye depression na wotu ye hu nkoma ye die eno no medidi afia amankwa tamaklo china kan ye hu na ye hwede de depression no eba
anepei mechi adam no ma menken chore de zibudue bia na ibubu ai nti no lidua na ahwe hwene ye yansa na edua because mebudue na besan eto efiri phone na American da no mama start mo stories ne na minyon share our husam kakra weekend your call oye him brother Kwame Eugene oyaza na papa waka baby into no weekend we 40 days observation memorial service kakra tawo mayen konko share na yembra sisia
kwanso de bo ina echi mu a ye mi am mi fancy mi am rockstar. Yeah, then the papa 40 days. Was in I don't want to tiny. I better change the ring. So them about it. We brought a family today. I buy the woman. So I'm not papa. You know, I
say what to make from I don't see the shoe. I don't photo. Who was a bit control. They say now 1 yeah.
Okay, into no young condolences na Uncle Mark Kwame Eugene ya menche chenere ne papa we 40 days observation and na ye kwa share CCA na me fast yisam no fancy kwe na me free honom na ye make ni jesam nyame aye bio na be pena me catch her there bibi anyi ho yakopon ontumi nye there's nothing that's impossible for onyame us to do na American da no mama nchira wa say oyaza last week ni honom no yet a lot of rumors there your sister legally yakopon aye na adom ama na ntafo na osan how sensitive asam listening to know ma fama na ntum but me you say enda da no me hu na why post mo fa pictures na nto do mama na yen hwa yen sister Sally legally oposi a picture of herself ne bomb ogbonanyim and we are so happy for her. This is just so beautiful. Nyame ya azibia nyame why az okwa wore etiesi nkofo asena sadwe wa chede menhu what she has not been through apart from the emotional psychology what the minsem yi ho no eraba no wafam. But at the end of the day, no, the ohiani ni da nyakopon ahye na nyiminyam. Wa ma na ntafo. Na maye hwe the captions na yehunda ozato ne pictures yase on social media no. Na ehwe iraba na ochirema holding on to faith. Because holding on to faith, that's what brought me this far. Mo pocho hold on to faith o. No, but bring you this far. Atasa. Because it's been a long and almost hopeless journey, but in the long run or no. But I wasn't to decide that. God has the final say. Wait. Because what the Lord has said, or what the Lord has done, my tongue is heavy with prayer. What's in the testimony? Because I am so happy for her. I am so happy for her. There at the end of the day, now you heard a video of her on social media. Woman share now. Ni efunu bone yam papa fa mo nyinu kunam ya enjoy kakra na yemra
yankoto bonga yankoto burger yankoto burger burger
jinyane do nyina ai fa ni nyina fa awona wo mba no so ye bompa de akopon bo kro hondo na wabo won ho ban na wo ban we nyina wa be very beautiful babies na wonya mfoso ama Ghana into no ye de besi ha dey ai na ya tuedo ya kwakohwe yaran kasa hen fashion show kase a okodo o Ghana ha dey Adom Jumezid na oye Sunday yi another eviction okodo me peda mbo amene ai announcement nyo kwakohwe nipa ofrum Sunday nche Sunday anhwe kohwe bra.
Okay, ya mo se mo mpacho metimi akọ ai mo hu eson me pacho mama can betimi go back please. Thank you. Right. Enye de me peno no so be any day. Sa pepepe enetie. Enti pacho wuti udin a na MSK pacho ko echi mame. Oh, ya mo se fama MSK. I am sorry to say it is rather unfortunate. Muntari, this is the end of the road for you. Yamonsa Fama Muntari. Why are dear wabone homogene ye pa? It is rather unfortunate. But I mean, this is not the end of the road for you, but this is the end of the competition for you. We wish you all the best. It was amazing working with you, and I believe on so say on sanwa juma dodo na ehunu na emom no vote no e na anko anfa maw medamo se ye pa ye be se hia
Oba kese Sandra abebio and na ozo bro fato to the eviction pa no ka brofo sister eviction no ye ho into no de bia yasra hon dem ho cho say wo favorite ma na e vote amany pokron dem robe obotum na watinem tim nyo kase Muntari on ka Adom Jumezid ho biom sisiara no oyaza we frim into 3 down 13 more to go no wasamara in Sundays at 4 p.m. ebi no Adom TV na enye na ye Adom Jumezid no origin nyimpa wo nti hwe ai maame hwe no support men so men if enye day keke vote many pokron no na ho asamara nye na there's a video on social media na video no a lot of people were kasa papa mama yengi na makan kind of scriptures since how kokoshe bai e ba makan mo scriptures achiro okay mo pocho za yengi na makan scriptures ai no comments you know what you ma wo hu so for obofo owo no to sika no wa samaranyen Psalm 1 or Psalm 1 ho be bia to Psalm 1:1 and chokonkro no watch what the blessed is the man who does not walk in the counsel of the wicked or stand in the way of sinners or sit in the seat of mockers, but his delight is in the law of the Lord, and on his law he meditates day and night. But amina wo he na adwene ze yebaka de e bi okori no soul atasa tini the best ho full stop meje mu ho a na ya tuado ai na se yare tuado za no weekend ye hun the fake is news on social media. Na first no news yenye no Twitter account be no bebe chirem do ya za Steve Harvey, you know, your American presenter, a very celebrated one in Kofodo niye papa apart from our game show and as a into no a poster not actually there on your wife will be divorced and money so no relationship coach and as in I can no or to for papa into no you no there social media look crazy because this is huge. But immediately no Yehunda yaza Ned Nwoku say nyim Ned Nwoku a your sister Regina Daniels Nigeria ni small girl no world billionaire no na husband billionaire husband no we be post a picture na picture no nye Regina no nye Steve Harvey na wife wo gina ho na ehwe za wa cho wa se na wo kirema the fake is news na onya za the fake well the news is fake, the fake is news. Atasa. Aha, no was a man. To say the news is fake or the fake is news. No was a man there. Onyaza, the book of no, oh yes, Steve having a wife no. Break up be our own into. Into no mayankane. Also, fake news has been taken to new heights all over the world, and this is so unfortunate. Into in that, now what we Ochema, we experience this practically every day. And so when we read about Steve Harvey and his lovely wife having issues, we had to contact Steve Harvey, and he has confirmed that he and his wife are very much okay, and it is all fake news and should be disregarded. The family is happy together, and we wish them all the best. The first thing that came into my mind is Nakopome school. Because he is a kind of connection. One man, we could Steve having fear. At no one, this is some level, eh? Nakopome boy, Yana, Yentumna, Yendu, Hobinsino, Free Regina Daniels, and Nanukun Honor, watch him there. Allegation there, Steve having a wife with Jan Wakafa, small boy and as in animal, on Yanokar, full stop. My young conco share na year celebrating one of our own, Lisa Kwama. Na zote in the Rabano or a dancer. It's this week, or as you know, New Times Square, or pay more video do or Yanshana Yambracia. The excitement on her face, Papa, it's big, it's huge. And you'll be able to pay so as I say, a crow in your crow. Now, an international crow or to them. Now, when you pay or so man, no, or a big man, Papa. Now, I saw no list or Honor, now, so no list of phone. And congratulations, Cassie on command. We love it for her. Uncle name the Mara. I was a page, you Medzi Bessie Hade. Now, Obibiara, wiki, where weekend crampon, me who doya Zakin promise or Nigeria. Or a performance or Honomonyasam Kakraba crossing when you're Terminator all over. What terminates baby and I'm also as a cowboys no so I saw them in London. One so a performance no as they Ghana fool we are going places. One year ye piano day ye piano. But the best had is in the Fantador, president for the Brothers and Sisters Association, me Adoma or China, Yabasan Yesha, with the map of Funas.
Just say Yamwakwa baby me Adom TV Badwam na guso eshano yeda mamboatama ni team nase I was a pair I one day abreye na yentin kaibo we na yenshano so ye birthday celebrant no so yed one better so na fe ye didana ma one more strong ko Franco Trading Enterprise phones papa efie and ho electronic gadget bia wo hia bia no ye will be e Franco Trading Enterprise Nokia Samsung iPhones smart TVs ranging from 32 to 55. Your tabletop fridges and so Franco air condition so your 1.5 decosi 2.5 HP CCTV cameras and so you will be into here be our office who fear bebia our monitor and your ma yonko Franco Trading Enterprise ho na niema we nyina yonko pebi frɛ Franco 0246 422338 0246 422338 and 0555 939311 0555 939311 Franco Trading app on Oko Google Play Store. Now download and I said www.francotrading.com. Ubenya biyo Franco Trading Enterprise cell phones papa fie ene ho Dominion herbal powder so enie opeso boost your immune system na unkutia yan wa hodo bi e beni padua no mu a wunhunu no yenom Dominion herbal powder ni bi na yade yakranko bi e hye ho no enyi free ho de uhia no pase wunidi ye no uhia warm water na wasa Dominion powder ni bi agum no wanom uwi ansa na echi wadidi anwumra so ye ne saa ansa na obedidi no ye Dominion herbal ointment nso ewo ho eno ne yade twitwi ni padua na kwa no ba bia ye bia pains joints no ba bia ye ohia unya Dominion herbal ointment in bia fatwitwi so for 0543 158195 0543 158195 and 0249 591843 0249 591843 now we need Dominion herbal powder penifon so akasa nkran ha Repart Ventures Nana Boache ene Angels herbal shops ubenya bi ewo ho Ashama ne wo Equus Pharmacy bi wo ho Tema Little George Health Shop nso ubenya bi Kofodia so Gapsen Pharmacy Delight Pharmacy ohene nana Owusko bi pharmacy ene Central Market hwe ni mu nyina obenya bi suhum so Tonic Pharmacy Achimodana na ya provision store Kennedy Drug Store Somenya na Giza Pharmacy obenya bi 12 years eba from untumi new Dominion Herbal Powder na se ne ointment no ba pemfo nso saa nti yen hye no enso ma yemfa yen kai boyi si ha na afa yen birthday celebrant no so e braso wo mo na da so no ye wish you a happy birthday nti happy birthday nkoma Mr. Albert Enim nyamenyo kese papa
Asem yidiko, asem yidika. Asem yidiko, asem yidika. Inna beka. Akwesi insia. Commander 6. Kano senior here.
Yede nyamesuro. Ene ye adwuma. Ye nsuro nyame nsa nsuro nipa ne mebu nipa. Ena no pa mi do nyame se be ma MPP4 showdown. Megidi so obi ahoye. Midin dia kwasinsia asemi di kabre ena asun fu ameko no happy birthday en confirm me aka semi nua nana kwadwo jantoa yo wo inchira 104.5 FM host of Kremunsem champion man kwadwo happy birthday enko enfamao nyame enchira no nyo kese kopem se obeye kese pa so from team Badwam any Kremunsem Adom Ninshra enenko oso ene obusua nyina so nana kwadwo jantoa happy birthday enko emfa emma so na happy birthday enso enko emfa ma Mrs. Philomena Obin wife of Bright Kwabena Obin CEO of Bright Way Mining Limited Obuase so Mrs. happy birthday enso enko emfa emma nyamenshra no nyo kese kopim se obeye kese pa once again happy birthday and confirm Nancy ya no manyo yanka se enua Isaac no manyo ne ba eba happy birthday nkoma beautiful daughter ya mnyo kese pa to bi odi birthday bia so no ya wish you all the best sima ka to sa do pay me do nyame se mema NPP4 showdown so bia hoye memene da etwa mu NPP amyoko kwa abato so akoto aba eyo mpanifo semino ekasei enipa enan ena sabre party no agiomo atum se they are now qualified to be in the first race akanipa ba ko mepa na so now the race na be between Honorable Francis Adenmo former MP for Asante Mampong Ene Ora Boachi Ejako, former Minister of Energy, former campaign manager of Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo Addo campaign. Sampen for me is a party in pen for any pair, and daddy akotom so but near yiba kwabeka and nanya a qualify no ehu. But aside about what Adibi Kosu MPP amyokomua, and yet Mimi can say, I'm from my jaw line. Next idea, oh, my jaw line. Match similar one so our Ghanaian times. From my jaw line. Number sure idea be Hodum. There is no discipline in the MPP, Dr. Efri Akoto. And you quite imagine so. I'm from Ghanaian times. The Ghanaian times were. Kwadwo Pianim, NPP must tackle indiscipline. I too much. Aye too much. And you see, what you are say, NPP as no. So a Sunni bino and the bimodi back into our governance. And it tend to affect the indiscipline on the part of some politicians, especially NPP. It looks as if the MPP one the only political party in Ghana said we want it for. Because majority of a penfono people know Obiafi say odeno. Obiafi say at least before so be join the party no na say be no obedi na embono to your guy or your chef. to be a TV and your pebia. A who's so ebi na wura the Nana Adom Akufo-Addo led MPP government. Abayemu. Ye monkrophobia chanso. Ye cancrophobia sem. Me see it looks as I say MPP is becoming the only political party. Yeah, when it's here for. The former General Secretary of MPP, John Boadu, made similar comment on Adom FM. About 2 years ago. John Boadu, he made similar comment on Adom FM. Just on some to be specific. The indiscipline, yeah, what NPP am your come no, yeah, too much. As a penny party nim, Sebi. And a peninsula moi, penny to Sebi, or to me, Kasa. Why should it continue so? Why? Mesia no bi ena ne ye hu no abamwo ya ye bu e wo Ghana mu. A free party ni mu atreke aba bewura aban ni mu. Sebe wo wani mu ha ne de wani watwitwi fam ne atwa fa so. A people free say omo they own the political party. A people free say they own the government. A people free say oh man no eshomusa eti no mo pe enom be ye ene koso MPP am yokom. Mamu pen for na kasa say yo. Dr. Owusu Afriye Akoto, a former Minister of Food and Agriculture, 2-term member of Parliament, man she wo kwada so. Kojo Mpiani, former chief of staff. And I meka ori Kojo Mpiani ni mami frema o se apare asem no na nkrofo bi ntini ma biase. Ye mami, with all due respect, sebi one ma wontaba ni mo ye ha. Eti part ni bi afi se obetimi aye ni opebia in the government. But ye ka only head mistress ewo fie ewo school wonom ewo Jubilee house wonom obeka cho say so what is ese mampenda na kofo efrew se bracasta ni pa di kan bisa so oye Kojo Mpiani enya president kofo na wo frew no the first one kwa she Kojo Mpiani kra no e dia mchihie to so. Can we say same today? And ye ka say MPP for you bet me the same thing. The indiscipline no too much. Justin Frimpong Kodua, Henry Nana Boakye, Salah Mustafa, Kate Jemfua, Efrako, Ekusi the national chairman. Well, Becca say, Ebia enyamo person na estaba mo person no dipping, dipping. The indiscipline no dipping. Because one kasa mo hihia mo di gu akwamu to man mo djumadi amodi no enkofo bibu so na mo ye din ewo ho lawyer mo wo hihia mo di gu akwamu no se mesi na so benten entra sa hie kwabrane betra na general secretary ye din no kwabrane betra na general secretary ye din no wo hwe no eno na ama na ye din dia ma MPP say they will crack the whip. And I'm idea no. Because to the bisua nyatom and play certain role inside the way. As soon as ye dia ye beka wasem or bente ye dia shh obi ankasa. Unhwe ne ye. NPP am yoko enhwe ne ye. Eya ye ko, eya ye no, eya ye san. But you see, esakwa sabebu buam say when the party is in opposition, some quote unquote reckless statement by members ni biya na mo nyina mo to de o machi Adenti na kwasisi akwa kan say na a police for eterechi eti kwasisi MPP ni a na MPP for tuata nachi. Party ni akwanya ba mu a the same person will not change. Afa no de ya ba na eti akwanya so mutu di nachi no wo de yemu a na afom titimutiri ho. Eno ne sunsun so amote ho no. Ene amote ho no nyatum. Ena no kumase ekatuna bro between to me any minister for lands and natural resources abujina po ekase won to me ampai abujina pa sum kumase ekase ampai na sum won to me kire oka kire eye lands and natural resources minister say wo ba part ni mu da ban wo sika say na de hye part ni mu a wo be sai madwuma ni nansa ni na otwe ana mampani bae no be sie wuntumi asa no fefe kama ene la sote hu the indiscipline in MPP is too much and it's getting out of hand. Why and about sacrificing who and then who say I will put a stop to this. Say kabo party mun kwa ka ye Ghana for the nyaya sem. But because say we potential political party mu wa ba mu we betimi atena ba mu anam ko position ko betimi asa ba mu tino e ye Ghana for how because be na make e hu sunsunso bi e na ye hu no like say be ye no answer chene say na ka amen atema wutu bi sori so be pai a whole minister sum. Because at the end of the company, and it's a Ghana assassin, it's your Maya Mamra. But what happened? Dear the see, me see a nina and answer, and your pay comes a best see, won't to me some fe. As a BBNC or Maimo. Ye call. MPP should have a leader. MPP. They should have a leader. The new patriotic party should have a leader. You be leader. You don't have as you speak. They say no be timi no pebia e one people am call him. Some no can say are difficult for Justin Frimpong ko dem say o metimi akrake dem because o mo can say what na say ehwa ma ne ma bia koso. Ye timi aka ho asem. E ba so ma twinko for be say this private committee ma make enkosi aga. Enkosiaga the club no emeka kire bibia no amka to say ekosiaga obo edom ko enkosiaga bibia no ebesi they should prove us wrong bibia no ebesi lawyer Justin Frimpong Kodua wanka say woni pefe pa say ne amoye no enkosiaga because people will reference you to a similar name be a course wa mu ye din e wo ho. And sa e hu bua no ntino no me say okay we nye last one kra o say mo party ene MPP amyoko na koye nipo wiska kese no ene lady nipo wiska kese no one lady MPP amyoko no timu den kakra sa mo say no ko mo nyire mo ho mo nkeka nko na ye dani a Mubedru. Why? The senior man can yo. Kodyon say NPP must tackle indiscipline. Dr. Osefri Akoto was indiscipline or NPP amekom no. Anoding. Ya ka umianka. Minimisa no pay. Party ni bi ebo said time. Ne bofu said time. You see a ken wechi ase agro ye de. Yanka ene wechi a. Mama George on board the video as what came on Adom FM about 2 years ago on indiscipline. Yeah, what MPP have become. No, your former general secretary of MPP. Share video yi.
Say no MPP. Na ya pagana for Chelsea. MPP entesa. Na ya catch party for also say. Say na say mbana wage na halo tuma. If you want to remain as an MPP person, bad yeah. Satsam no man tip cry say obi ayo obi na on air na we na echo de nya dia ye be so
Eti what a former general secretary. So I catch say nyame makwasi say na make me bio. Ena mpanfo a makoti o munyina no enya mpanfo asabi o me enketewa wo NPP amayekoni mu o. Make come from former MP, former minister, former chief of staff, former general secretary. They are all complaining about one thing, and that is indiscipline. MPP. Na se me kenya asem ne enka party efu se e school fo na ahye mu made e kan discipline be ye word e ka won na chiri kura ba won na be di monim because obi afi so your oga e wan MPP mu obi afi se enka na asem e wan MPP mu obi afi se or your man or woman on her own. Se mo an correct na ye be correct mamam se mo an correct na ye be correct ndi amam. Nyame adu ochiro na sebidika. There's a video. Yeah, a course for NPP headquarters. Maybe a be a woman by headquarters Saturday now. Adwene ankoso. Me show sa video natural. Man wo niam course for NPP headquarters na no me da. E twa me ya bato course ye. No hu asema me kan na ba besi so. E di akosinsia. E de pense mu eto aso. Asemi edika.
Asem yidiko.
Yes, I will not cover him and for Emra Bedwam Jumedi so. And Pessembre and as in free sabre compensation on Kono, about Pausima, a Juno, meeting the aquacy in Siabaja 4 Atlas Yababa chain and Como. And a Comocasi Paul, Comocasi Nina Efa, NPP, Aminu Kwaba to a Boko so, memory that a chain wing. Out of the about 926 delegates here, Kotuabano, it moved about 620 now or 90 something. And a to Edima, the Vice President of Ghana. Around 68%. Kennedy on here Japan, that told me, no John Alan Kojochabatin, and a told me, and a Dr. Osu Efriakoto, a torso and 9. Says the fifth position, Abba Bejina, former NP for Asante Mampon, Francis Adenmo, and a Boachi Ejako, former Minister of Energy and Tepatini Pen for her say. Ore shebe gwa kwamna sa run off net mi abaso ne yi baako abeka enan no eho na party no etimi dia ko ekon kese do manim November 4th 2023 honom kwakoyi nipa obekuta frank ananka se adama NPP amyoko over 200,000 delegates and make it sad decision on November 4th across the 16 regions of Ghana. I'll post your live ewo YouTuber ja comment oh ebeje ni akenkan e dia ma hwe so ewo Facebook, Benjamin Swahio, DSTV channel 280, Go TV channel 119, Multi TV channel, so share live and so follow me on a questions here on Facebook. Na Afiachi and Kumo. Alfred Thumbs, a member of the MPP Communications team, also a member of Dr. Alhaj Mahmoud Bawumia campaign team. What can I say? Me, you have been a NIM PSA, a member of the NDC National Communications team. Also, Atenase. Honorable Samuel Ayepe, former MP for Ayensuano, and Eastern Regional Coordinator of John Alan Kojochrebatin campaign team. Very good there.
Anyamiadum, you.
Afresh ye.
Anya boko sao.
Boko, una boko.
O say anya boko say sunu bia ne anope o sorry do obedi.
Anape so onwa sorry. Obi wo ho won me sorry. It's sorry, was sorry, I would ase. At least first of all, thank God, which me am was sorry. It's a book, say which me are sorry. Okay.
Honorable Ayepe, my miss out we so constraints and kofobi to an every opa most salmon for food dear. Any other day.
Mini ma mini kan chia wet if we are not pay.
Yeah.
Let me chia na adodan kwakufado. My titles no so uja ba.
Okay.
Me a member of the governing MPP communication team.
Yes.
And indeed a lead member of the team.
Okay.
Now I've been a member of the team since 2006.
Wow.
To date.
Wow.
Emra, you lose to 2008. Not 2009. You know I'm an MPC NDC for my way minister cry. Well, can do Sikato ya engineer West. Ministers be brave, communicators ni be brave. Ekwatewe. Na osuro class of radio stations.
Yeah.
Me Napo, current minister
energy
for
minister.
Energy.
Yeah.
Adomako Befi.
Okay.
And director for Geok, the series
Maxwell
Kofijuma, 4 of us. And I can say with my chest out 4 of us. Later now we back Adoy
Hobson, okay.
Na yɛne papa we yɛne wɔn press ya na afia manfo mu say oh say this program since share any one news and they join nti ɛno so ya na waka
mate
ayen so ya no fo so mi chia won
okay
na no kware ni sankama ewu a aka ayen so ya no fo nyina be san line no wodi nhwiren unum nhwiren
flowers yeah
abeto me na so
ate
na mi wu ye de won fa me bombrem
okay
won ku kro bo kakraka wọ́n fa bẹ́ẹ̀ tún mi pọ́n ano wọ́n bá náà máa dà kúrò àwòdè wọ́n fa tó pọ́n náà mi nyanga mi hu sẹ́ǹtì ni sẹ́ ayé nsúyà no ade baako a na ɛha yɛ nkɛse paa ɛyɛ anweatu basa borofokasa mu yɛfɛ ne illegal sand winning activities woda okuani no sɛ wɔyɛ peasant farmers bɔdwo akua ɛna ayé nsúyà no nsaase no nso wọn sɛ isim yagasa yɛ practice family land system. It's actually a ebusian nsase against 2 land. Okay. Let's get that clear. It is obetu asase ewo family land system so obetu anwea e so obehu ebusian.
Okay.
Na ebusiafo no so bebre na so the one sase na ma settler farmers.
Okay.
And na so adwuma. Inti obi obusuani no wakuapem mostly families na asase won sase won de nyina wakuapem. All the 17 states of wakuapem no one sase wa yensuan. All the 17 states.
Okay.
And Gans Dangbe, nti wala amengo ase, from Labadi la. Ye wa alema omufusu.
Okay.
If you kwabwanta adan omufi adan. Kwabwanta sa akrobos. A chansa akrobos. Mankron akrobos. Nti scattered any yeto. Na land owners nagasa ebi atinkran ha. Eno wodi sasna ma settlers. Settler na bia ne no bai. Ebi koko, ebi me. Ebi brofre, the stand brofre ehopa banchi ebro. Obada benyan no. Na ni atutura fu bi de atuo. Pop action guns. Na obatu atuo na adwo sa nti wonya tie atuo be yese obetu anwea. Anadwo kwani ne be so atuo ni don't me gwada fu.
Yeah.
Ade be chi no wode machine apra ne no ba ni nyina gu nchen.
Oh.
No ngabu abu anwea na no. Na tracks na start epic. Okwani ne kwa na ebija ni si. Uno by na ya say no ahina obeji.
Ye tu awie no.
But the question is, sir, who for the proper way of sand winning now? You value the crops on the land.
Yeah.
You pay compensation to the farm owners. Who gather crops in you? Now what about Bekesi? Ahina obeji.
Yeah.
Your valuers, your crop valuers are only how to value crops. No, I tell how much. More so, what to know by was and was assassination we are. Okay, for 70 years, old mean cultivated be assassination. Just as not very useless. Until say after crops no crowd value what you are cano. I was so compensating for the period of 70 years now. Old mean be assassination. I was say minerals commissions, environmental protection agency. It mean my certificate allow say you can mine. Sand. Mining,
yeah.
Sand winning is serious mining. Now what on the pombi or Ghana how many person we didn't work free so what the ding and then I'm what they said. Personally, I have told him. Say Badwam TV issue statement is say ni ani pe bi di mi din ya wa yensu ano esuhun upper was achem no. Me nem ho hwe. For now, we haven't heard anything from them. Yeah, they are how adwene. Na me hu o mo free so.
Yeah.
Na anu ni asema me kan ya ayensu anofo bi antimase ne anwetufu yi sika they organize funds and what did to me fi ayensu ano the very people I was fighting for.
Yeah.
Because not me to me free soldier for me to me free police for no dey atuo aba pumps ankrofo ya fi nsase no so tinani pe bi for say me how ahemfo bi am we interest wom individuals be sand winners they organized. Instead of me, me the safe seat, a why you no accuse me. They don't know, they don't understand. Ayensu has never been a safe seat for MPP. It's not because the seat be a safe, no. Now to me, we need seat, no, not less than 65%. The highest we have had in Ayensu was 57% I had in 2008. It is not a swing seat. Ayensu just swing seat, I agree. But it's a safe seat. Because you have never won Ayensu by 60%. It is somebody I knew to the higher now. A wicked part. Now, we know what is going on in Israel. CSC. As soon as I President Akufo-Addo.
Yeah.
I president be inti. Nipa before say, Oman you to me. It weakens the stance of NPP in Israel. See, I control our illegal sound activities now, irrespective of whom we present. A very difficult to say sitting.
Okay.
It may say so that for a police illegal activity. San winning na ekoso wa yensu ano no enya proper. Enya na makache DC ni say DC. Ayensu ano bebe nkran. Definitely so be a pass ase anwen sidan a obeba ayensu ano.
Yeah.
Enti yem pass ase yantam bi. Be a 1,500 acres. Yama expert mra no mo say I had a 100-acre land way anwen wa pa.
Tibetimi etu.
Na assembly ni ntwa asase no. Enfi land owners ni nchen ye compensate wom. Me say ayensu ano so bia ho pa anwea bia no this demarcated area no assembly no e the one agent to wo beto ticket amount na wa betu anwea wo.
Okay,
that is how it should be done because it's a farming community. Yes, you betu anwea wo ba bia de e be kakra nya bia ni o enne na me ko amia me kuro boton ase me ko abrant pa me di go afin kran akọ me du apa me dem my sister say mu ofufu mam o si ni banjo boton ase o se say ni banjo say quota. One of them who be so banching or the birth you. So banching be ni. So I was him say banching. I say, "Oh no, me ko koto quota." Wow. So now teacher man tin ni banching. Quota ni I turn in the banching. I just saw travel 11 kilometers to quota.
Quota answer no nya banching.
So I quota banching. One himself, me be atwemu just this one here attraction. Me be atwemu. Se wo ko nkran ofia na ko sunuma. Wo du chichewere. E wa be say, "Ebro nya ma ye kra no atwa ebro ebuo." And this had nina, queer no, you have no queer nina.
Or someone I pay a former MP for Ayensuano about 2 pesos. Now, Justin Frimpong Kodia, General Secretary of NPP, the statement be about Abontain. Na Rebeto Uti show ama washe statement na NPP General Secretary Eddie Abano. Mary didn't know what she saw so Anna John Alan Kodia Chamaten so Eddie statement. And so about Abontain. Now starting with Justin Frimpong Kodia Eddie Adam. See August 27, 2023. New Patriotic Party extends gratitude to stakeholders for exemplary special electoral college election. The New Patriotic Party extends its heartfelt appreciation to all stakeholders who contributed to the successful execution of the special electoral college election, which took place on Saturday, August 26, 2023. We commend the collaborative effort of the Presidential Elections Committee, the Electoral Commission, the Ghana Police Service, media partners, aspirants, delegates, supporters, and the general public for their unwavering dedication to the democratic process. We extend our congratulations to all aspirants and their supporters for their responsible conduct following the guidelines, rules, and regulations set forth for the election. Your commitment to the democratic principle of the party is acknowledged and celebrated. While the majority of voting centers experienced smooth process, we acknowledge that isolated incidents occurred at certain locations. The leadership of the party unequivocally condemns such incidents and emphasizes our unwavering commitment to the integrity and fairness of the election process. Pursuant to Article 1075 of the NPP Constitution, certain individuals, namely 1, Mr. Raphael Patrick Safo, Mr. Charles Dochi Yao Ado, Mr. Musa Sulemana, Mr. Hobson Yovi Adoye, will be referred to the party disciplinary committee. This is a direct response to evidence including video and photographs materials which suggest potential violations of the provisions outlined in Article 35A of the party's constitution and the potential misconduct under Article 47. Emphasis must be placed on the fact that Honorable Kennedy Ohene Ejapong is to the above mentioned names will be summoned before the disciplinary committee of the party to provide responses and further details to accusations and threats he made against certain persons in the video that has since gone viral on social media and mainstream media. Signed, Justin Frimpong Kodia,
General Secretary of the New Patriotic Party. Now, a statement from John Alan Kojo Chrebatin. And also, Sunday, 27th August 2023. Press statement by Honorable Alan Chrebatin. On Saturday, 26th of August 2023, the Special Electoral College convened by the New Patriotic Party selected my good self as one of the presidential aspirants to contest the November 4th presidential primaries. Congratulations to all my colleagues who participated in the selection process. I wish to use this opportunity to thank the Almighty God for His grace and mercy in guiding my path that far. I would also like to express my profound appreciation to the delegates of the Special Electoral College who voted for me in this initial selection process. My appreciation also goes to my family and the Alan for President A4P 2024 campaign team, including members of the pro-Alan groups, for their dedication and commitment to my campaign agenda. I would, however, like to express my deep sorrow about the brutal assault on my polling agent in the Northeast region. This is an indelible blot to the integrity of the internal democratic process within the NPP. I wish my colleague speedy recovery and God's manifold blessings, and would like to assure him and his family of my unwavering support for his well-being. The A4P campaign coordination team is currently analyzing the results of the Special Electoral College election, and in course of this week, I will deliver a public broadcast on the way forward for my campaign. I wish to reassure my teaming supporters, particularly those at the grassroots level, that the battle is still the Lord's, and that those who wait upon the Lord shall have their strength renewed. God bless our homeland Ghana and make our nation great and strong. Sign, Alan Kojo Chrebatin. Alfred, Saturday, over 600 delegates, energy, Dr. Alhaj Mahmoud Baumia, out of the 900 votes. Yeah, of course. A member of the vice president campaign team.
Oh yeah, hard work and dedication pays. Na answer na mesha said me chia obia orte or shame. Me de nchia kesema na nado dankwa ikufado oye the president of the Republic of Ghana na be chi Dr. Mahmoud Baumia. Me de sanchia no so me take advantage akma Dr. Mahmoud Baumia a big congratulations. Yaminsha ne kesinara. And also to thank all the delegates in the 17 centers are Omotuabano. All the regions are Omochie to Dr. Mahmoud Baumia. We share a percentage on your per region. The lowest was 43.3% in one region. That was the lowest.
Fachempa na menkwa wan so nim komo we MRC Profo statement am keke from Justin Frimpong Kudiano. Yebo abrante ba ko Rafael Patrick Safo. The Ashanti Regional Youth Organizer of MPP. Rafael joining one line. So, Rafael, good morning. Rafael, dear na abanti, memory that you saw to about. Dear na abanti, memory that to about, what do about to you know, actually a month for a war around the neck. Here, tune the call this welcome team. Rafael. Rafael, but your me answer to best try near Rafael and one should be na. Yeah, near friend. Na, yeah, no Eddie and Combo. Na, a jawet me actually this committee ya part in pen for Edino Aircono. Or you say, na, Alfred.
Inti mechia mema ubia or support or Dr. Mahmoud Baumia, Yadana CP.
Okay.
Or more or to me and to Amano, so Yadama say at least they've made the competition keen. Now, your best room say next stage, no dear. Or more person will join and on joining and I Juma towards the victory.
Okay.
Because their Dr. Kind after all this, they say we have a unity of purpose. Our purpose, they say we need to unite to continue the good deeds. So on the ground. Nti yempese bibia breaking in front. Okay. And he wants to lead that course.
But Mami San try Rafael be more facha me pa. Rafael akwa ba
I was my Joe Sumini.
Okay. Na me say dia na ba ya Saturday wotu abawe na wo dey extra manfo.
Hello.
Rafael.
I was with Tonka.
Okay. Dia na ba ya Saturday wotu abawe na wo dey kire enkrofo yi.
Hello.
Me tonka Rafael betimi akasa me tonka. What menka?
Yeah.
Rafael. There be 8 minutes Rafael and to us be Alfred Yanko.
Inti yebeda obia se mechia kese ko central region, especially Cape Coast constituency. Central region so mo ya there pa omo to no they gave him over 46%. Okay. In fact, all the regions he was leading. He led in all the regions. Into a good sign and say the next phase we have to work harder. And when you hard work. Okay. A hard work na ama isinisa because o started say all the so far we got 7 regions. We could share money there, but constantly whilst he was going for various regional visits now we so or share the special delegates for from time to time. Okay. It wasn't an easy job. Nyankasa menene ye Ashanti, menene ye Central, menene ye Western. Na ye a little bit of Greater Accra, Eastern, Otini, Adena, Mintumi Uncle. But you saw that he had a vision, he had a drive. Okay. And it shows you that the people underground, the grassroots, they believe in his message. Omo Jinidi, Omo Tona Semno, na Omo decided say it's not under intimidation or anything. They are going to vote for him. Who can say 955 than I guess almost about 955 now our target was about 70%. Okay. Unfortunately 926 so it drops our percentage too down because definitely Nkrofo be better. So to get 68 plus almost 70%, it means that you are within our range. Okay. At least I should say we are within our range. Now, and say na me chair piece here, me chair figures me say 926 na ebe so 629. It will say here pay me figures no. Omo mutu lottery sami twen one that say mo be pay me numbers so na omo good record because he was part he in fact he more or less led this team to do this work, and congratulations to all the team members, Sami, Mayor Ajin Sowa, Honorable Pariansa, Fred Oware, Cabo, Virus, a whole lot. And so it tells you, say, everybody, and when Obiatu, because of a purpose or because of everybody gave his best. The MPs, or Shiomu one by one. And son always share the whole game as you know, or Shiomu one by one, on your Mukasa any idea, or Shia or more. Most of us are here Jumama no or various regions near there or share a more you feel say Koshomuna Wunio Munkasani there personally. So these engagements were going on. He really worked for this. He didn't take this my friends just to put you in the first 5 into N1 no. Because whatever you do now, we are working on a sample size. Yeah. In sampling, we'll share what the effects can be. There's first sample IFI for him to get 70%, about 70% of that sample, gives a good sign that, listen, the bigger sample, so you can get more. Because the 629 people are the people going to work for you. They are going to work, and more people are going to be added on. Okay. Say, Ebia wo ye keke, and say, Ebia edaho keke, and yes, say, Ebia, this is just, it's just 5 na ye yanti, the akan and and it consists of various breakdowns. Make sure people were whipped in line. Or more ministers and government appointees near there. No, just 21 people. Okay. 21 ministers, 14 ministers, and then plus 7, 14 regional, both regional and AE ministers and outside ministers near there, plus 7, 21. Okay. So it tells you, say, out of 926, 21 pay. In government bet me I can say I'm from Mawa and I say Omo Antoa, they be affecting so much. So it tells you that the man himself worked. Now, Fancy Force, you will be here.
MPs, over 100 MPs.
Oh, but how can you whip an MP in line? How can you whip an MP? Woman the post, woman the share. Why? You can decide he's going to vote anyway. That is why you had Sylvester following him. You had your friends. A lot of MPs were following him. Abner Sari was following Alan. Sylvester, you have Dr. Kisi, you have a lot of MPs also following the Alan camp. So,
over 100 MPs supporting Vice President.
Yes, because when I started, I said that he met them one-on-one.
He
sold his message to them. And so, if you sell your message to me, and I'm convinced that may say me do which may endorse, nobody can touch you, and nobody was touched because who do you call MPAD? Say yes, say young fan say 21, for 21, you can sack them. So maybe the worst case scenario, and I from more and whip them into line. Can you put the one over 100 MPs are almost supported? No, you can't. Well, so let us erase that notion and work. It's about hard work. Fancy for Bibi Omoka, almost say, will you be the year? Now was all there when it was Nanado's turn. Look at the way he gave himself out to Nanado or Yejuma Manu or Yejuma say 2016 elections. When you see Dr. Baum, you even think that on only din ballot paper. So 2020 elections, you saw the same thing. And now it's come to his turn. So the grassroots saw the good he has done. The grassroots who say Papa na Yejuma, and he doesn't joke with his work. Now, you say there's another thing that Adejayeka say. Obia ofidua pano na ye piano and describing a good tree.
Raphael,
this
fachem pa. Raphael akwa babiem.
Oh, breaking.
Abaziba jo so mini apa yini.
Otemenka. Raphael Otemenka.
Abaziba to nka on.
Okay. Yes, Brad disciplinary committee. It will say accusation they ebo hu ni say. Raphael there be Mr. Mark when fair Raphael BM why meet me for Raphael BM and there
say CIA friend no committee so Monkasa he shouldn't grant interview to anybody or he should not grant interview, he should leave it. He knows what happened. Me video he didn't open the sheet. He should go and explain himself and exonerate himself. When you start doing that, you bring one P into your system. On your quiet, go and meet the decision committee, give a say out. After that, then you can grant interviews.
Honorable,
you mean can saying chair Ura Alan Kodechiramatin.
Okay.
The next to lead MPP in 2024.
The next to lead.
Okay. Now, MPP,
okay.
Me to say there's no way. Ubinya 17 centers. Nipa almost 1,000. We see ubi more in 100%. That is young target.
Okay.
It's then free elections 100%. But me to me, I can see 1 point. That is the northeast pay. And they have to say. I think say and yet let's condemn it.
Okay.
Say and yet. Near course for honor. You prepare briefing because this planning committee are friend ni pay yes. Say ayampa. Say nipa airflow to rules now. You can't say move beyond far age and or intervene. And the Kobasa. You can this planning committee and Juma.
Okay.
What about we'll come back here.
Okay.
Na ni on be catch this planning committee no ya hwe na no so ya tasem ni ehu na de asomdwe aba na na electoral commissioners na me ye polling agent for Alan Okuforodua.
Okay.
Indeed me hu say obi ba hwa wasi ye check it na me din enim ana me din no na spell na see ana photo bi akodi baby.
Okay.
In fact me the maso to firm so all the 17 centers na menti bi dia ntemo aba so ni mo police for aba so enra meaning members of parliament, former members of parliament, senior members of the party, now who need voting rights, into who need accreditation. Kofobia sectec, baby, I got to about entrance, walk right, my own shaggy, let alone to come to the hall, baby, I to about. Now, and found would it be a once I want to have any be a accreditation.
Okay.
Want to me and shango. rules now part in the bio guidelines was followed to the letter. Just say you make sure say bibi wo mu bia e adwuma ye mo police for no sabaso na fe papa police bia be say me bon abaso police pani COP Chumesi the Chumesi Ankara na fact he did very well.
Oh, Kufuor.
No ba Kufuor.
Okay.
Very well. On we ankasa si OP na ankasa was center obi. Na say you fa phone nko ana we say guidelines no ba akukasi. No. Won't me fa phone and go near to the push the boot the kwato about. Near no and define it. The guideline didn't define near. Inti na yem hu say young agents na yet no so you to make it time phone because na me say me gadget am dey send information to the young central campaign center. Yeah. Inti na near na be issue kata ofre nyina agina nchen. Your casa they say once our guidelines meant to define it near as distance as how many meters no there yantias na obi amfa phone e man the second agent no na bibi also ye bia onye we agreed and then we came back it was so peaceful into yembo police phone abaso na afei ye hwe dan ne yekoye MPP for dan na constitution ni si yenye constitution ni si mi biara ye bebu nomination for presidential elections na nipa ne bebo 10 no so bebo 5 no yankoto aba ni empru yen sonso na enka 5 no wonko
okay
enti enara ba yakoto no memede na ba yakoto no yankoto aba se yakohwe no obedi kan no obedi so abien no beto so abien se no yakoto aba se ye yi nipa num
okay
na unga ko gina 4th November ni yakoto won so aba you say me candidate Alan Kodo Chiramatin no di first aka me analyze first no di no to my advantage. Okay. Now they push me campaign no for 24th November no. Okay. Inti obi so akodi kan no yes I don't have any problem with it.
Okay.
Na mo den constitution is den. Constitution is yen ko yin di penum. Ye ko yin di penum ni wi a afere ye kwakoto ni penum no so aba. Ni ye ko no be lead party no. Nia obedi 5th no betumi abedi first.
Yeah.
Na no obedi first no betumi abedi last. I don't think make asa. Electoral college ye kwato aba. And now no me down. Yeah. 900 plus less than 1,000. Anna, one hour about 4th November no. And 208,000. Meaning what was it?
Yeah.
And it want to mean a sample size of 100,000.
Yeah.
And compare a sample size of less than 1,000 and compare to 200,000. So research in here, a research and me ya ampa sample size of about 1,000 as compared to 2,000 very huge but in your sample in your research in your voting na ekwa vote and ya soro se ekwa vote keke ye yi nipa bi
okay
nipa ben and ye yi won say won ko to aba no party pahinfo founding fathers members of parliament constituency chairman the least ranked person electoral college no ho constituency chairman
yeah.
Na sanwama we no hwa na se yenye bedi ni kwara ma ye hu a wo be hu se the establishment no ewo control a bit of control over the Saturday's electoral college.
The establishment ni there.
Oh, now me a journalist I found out what is an establishment.
Just ye na ye hwe.
Okay, aban.
Oh, okay. And I'm friend the system no.
System.
Okay.
I think na make say appointees on your mention 21 appointees. Yeah. Omo kan ko to aba.
Yeah.
And you know, me nua ba ko say go say wutie ma me cha no pai. Os aban oyeduru. Aban.
Yeah.
Oyeduru. Into 21 no, what do I for the numbers was numerical strength.
Yeah.
They have other strength abroad the remaining 900 listen.
Okay.
Unless you are not politician.
21 no.
21 no.
Okay.
Numerical strength no,
okay.
They are the weakest.
Okay.
But they have other muscles. Other influence.
That's the percentage control.
Control.
Okay.
Ebro ngari nyina aso. Because aban oyedu. Obiara obeka kire mi say establishment, the system, aban any candidate no so nkan kware. Because 2007.
Yeah.
Not party no candidate. That is Nana Adodankwa Ekufado.
2007.
That is it. I was part of the campaign team or the party's candidate.
And at that time they had.
Yes. Now, establishment is on the candidate. Oh, Alan Kodech Martin.
Oh, okay.
Inti mumma ya nyati sania another ye name a course 207. Today it's the same today.
Yeah.
The party has a candidate and the establishment has a candidate.
Okay.
Anti niaya kone say
one party the candidate.
Establishment candidate abenya control on Saturday the no kakra.
Okay.
Mummy en kan kware. Anti me and the A4P campaign team, yeka A4P Alan for president.
Okay.
Campaign team. Kono. You have the coalitions ni mo say. Selection 5 na we say yeka ho.
Okay.
Anya hwe kura no see the second. Yes.
Okay.
2 kono yenim say Owura Bawumia enya less than 60% is a disaster for him. Na wanga sa no munim. Was starting say Saturday about total when I 95% will be. That was the started with Anna, one review one notes and about 85%. So monitor system proud to headline goes capture all major headlines in the print media.
Friday no.
No, throughout the
okay.
So monitor them. So they move from 95 to 85.
Okay.
Actually, man, I said, what review? One note. Go, who's saying an embassy coffee? No, yeah, grip control, but it's very difficult for us to get 85. And what about 70?
Okay.
And when you feel say, yeah, boy, and some, no, because we move right from 95 to 70. And the research team be our UK. About one thing, Peggy one for at least 72%.
Okay.
Meaning, okay, 72%. And honorable Ose Chairman Sabunsu, as an experienced politician and a part of Bawumia campaign team, about one thing, no. Okay, son and Yamesi Kofana say, I crowd between 60 and 70%.
Okay.
Now, sir, Dr. Bawumia to me between 60 and 70% there. A column queer and Camille 4th November. And it will be a no. If a constitution define who formed the electoral college for the superdelegate.
Okay.
That definition is to governments in power.
Okay.
Not government in power having a candidate or the establishment has a candidate. Now when you're 60%, 70% to Kurawanyade. Yes.
Sana uno.
Yes. It's your case, hey, sir, 60 to 70% Yamanonko. Meanwhile, 208,000 are waiting for 4th November to vote. Name is Yabusi, last one. You say Yabusi, a year down as a special delegacy a buy. Or your fancy 200,000 people, a year then over to Abba. Because if it has 200,000 to Abba.
Yeah.
Now you 20 per constituency. Certainly your constituency look like 275.
Yeah.
Near you 20, that was 207. You got to a baby in this, you know. Government in power, no. And the people be a wasika. That we use one ska, and the influence that small electoral college of 20 per constituency. And to avoid that, you know, expand the base, you know.
Okay.
To 200,000. At least every polling station executive member in each of the polling stations should have a voting right.
Okay.
So, Kobasa, you to me in Fesika, and now governmental influence. I influence that 208,000. And then you're free and fair. And then you buy. You're a smaller electoral college than even a mera near chance in a year expansion. I got to Abba, Namusi Yamferno, and decide who is leading the party. Maybe I will Cesaria, I then expanded basin. Into Yamfa, the expanded Biakwesi Vunevi.
Okay.
Yamfa, the expanded basin in Kotwara. Research is a fiasco. Professor Jampu, about one time vacancy. Senior also Petenta Kremu, and as a researcher for political scientists, no, or as political scientist, no, what me say, Ura Language, my turn to 20 years, and for so detailed, baby, I'm now holding what I used to Yako campaign you. Mini Ura la Chamatin the Greater Accra.
Okay.
Yako Oti. Yako Bon. Sorry, voter.
Okay.
Yako Ashanti 4. Baby, you say now what then is the polling station as a
so no only control a war super delegates so as Dr. Baumia
no. It's ya kwa nanya him say how the
Dr. Baumia enya that control on the super delegates.
What the question me say. We share the constitution the power of so you super delegates now. A creative opportunity ma government in power be not this government. Okay. Government in power be will get some control over the super delegates.
What I'm saying, okay, say
yeah, okay, say. But Dr. Bawumia is the candidate of the establishment.
Yeah, but I know. But let me just say, oko can say are you then referring say, you tall most of the delegates in the super delegates for Bawumia? Okay,
I'm not prepared to lead any disciplinary committee, and I'm choosing my words very carefully. The general secretary of the party is listening to me. The chairman may be listening to me. So I'm choosing my words carefully.
Okay.
You can say governmental influence. It's not about money alone. What can say? You can say 20 ministers. That's what. Oh, you're minister. Oh, you're minister. How many of them? Very few. More than 5, less than 5%. And you to me, you live in MPs.
It's not because Omu believe in the man Bawumia that may be a candidate.
It may be. But I'm choosing words very carefully.
So it's so maybe say a new system ninety ma omu etudi di
Bawumia. Maybe the system. That is why I'm making my analysis and I'm choosing my words carefully. Because a possible say system also. Because you find say me get a sign as you. You find say we are MP.
Yeah.
What declare was stand say oh maybe I want to work for Alan Kojo Martin.
Yeah.
The next time you see, they say, Ubi, about constituency. Say, I feel Mr. contested this constituency. Oh. Then you see, Nipebia, where we knew, Babia Omufi, supporting that person. Definitely, no, the next MP, no, or be very careful so not to be declaring a stand. Because, Bia, Yanka, when you declare a stand, our contest be a man who no constituency.
One name on the contest.
I don't know. My catch you say the establishment has a candidate. Nothing be able to what you make it.
The bit make you see it. The person also person over committee because general secretary.
Careful. It's in the American.
Okay. 2 minutes near you.
Yeah. Me
okay.
Me say. Niya kwa Saturday.
Yeah.
You do put CWE 5.
Okay.
So you 4 aka 1.
Okay.
The actual delegate conference, you kwako to a banka sanka say a candidate no. 4th November.
Okay.
Obia baby an ahode wo. And then Dr. Mamu Bawumia me ati say ono na hoden e was special super delegates ni.
Oh, one say.
And Alan so say men so baby am hoden wo no. The grassroots the 4th November, the 208,000 delegates.
Okay, on the 4th November.
Okay. What saying me? And now, what's next meeting wedding?
Matimena Sora.
4th November.
Yeah.
Now, baby, on also say, Miss Mua Mahoding.
Bakwakotre.
Now, say, Wunsra. I didn't think I contest. So many PC contest. Now, PC catch him. Oh, now, baby, my campaign did. And they step down. I mean, let's say Usuru contest.
But I say, I pay.
When 68%. Ukrano, we target was 85%. When 60%. I can work control between 100%. Well, to me, 70 no crowd want to man cross. Now say a minty. He see they are so disappointed. I mean, he declares awesome. Saturday, if you want to be fair to the Almighty God, Ghana was quiet. Ghana was sad. MPP was sad. MPP was
true.
Quiet.
It's never true.
Okay, but I say
never true. Maybe you were.
Agwasi.
Yeah, dear.
That's it. So, my main guy, Ghana.
As no me no.
Nyankopon ya adoma.
Okay.
Addison must go no ebebaso.
Oh, you. Yes, I can say. I got 2 days.
I respond on that.
No, no,
na here ba na why savings swap bank and this savings bank na akafu ba be down na go say big savings no more am go be okay that's like the reason why we say
no honorable demonstration epacho na ye jina so pa na say okasai adesem afa kwan bi so a mra ma no kwan okay apprentice kama bank ama Ghana yen central bank ba bia kwa
adesem must go
nyina ye
demo ne beba so
ban bia so beko
okay
very respond on that
nia ye kan enra contester senena contest MPP for ye e di kan se me baby am etem se za contest dem kan faso bi eni so
oh
em faso bi eni so
oh what eh
ye hu bi a mere bi abesenko niema bi a wo ye 17 aspirants a call contest
okay
and Ghana for because so mobile bank mun sika benti afedi na mudi sika be brain na niema course wo Lagos ada no sabre no mu no Ghana fo bo ngada pa wote eno hu na mo akoye sa nsakre se wonye sa adam because obi say mfaso be na fees buy then I will be save wom sika ususu se be ma aba form nti no ye sa ada na because one mo be ballot papers it is among the nyina call main congress no ana is conference main conference no ana mo koye ya angebe mo be nyam result na mo we pepepe ba ne course no de me ne menim fa Dr. Baumia ne winning no ho ne say ne ma hro abi ways and means
okay ways and means
yeah ways and means and we apply
how
Baumia ne nkrofo no na no crisis mama mfa me wi mfisa asem no me da won asese ne NDC ya hwehwe no ogosu ye man
okay
ne NDC ya hwehwe no
dia na mo hwehwe
ya hwehwe ne se won fa Baumia mra on win won flag bearership no
it's never true
eno nkura ne hia yen na fe won me contest NDC
if NDC kure ni je ho se Dr. Baumia
be pe ne ya bompa ya ne se won fa Dr. Baumia mra tie because Dr. Baumia won amfa na ma ama ye na nakufa do running me because ono na not MPP party na say echengo bia what the buy say o meboa na nakufa do because ono na no ye economist
okay
meboa okay na adwuma no wagonga fi say na wonyi na so nto obama na say 2012 ono call court eko di mfade kasama party no
also ono an vision
here daddy
the vision to put Ghana on the map to shape our economy
no kind work convincing all kind of convincing
you know mo jina so da kwato aba mani
oh ganya no me ma we bi me ba ba chiro ma ba ko ye sika what the top vote no nyam na make on
the top one vote
aba ye wo Ghana ha sika ye nua no mo tugu mountain so baby awoko bia chairman na didi se peche
we are talking about ministers of state
too sen ka kan se obema me the evidence aba ka me bua me honam de bi chiro Jesse won kan kware
the ministers of state yet
sika kwa eko constituencies anya asem ketwa eto so abien intimidation intimidation because we member of parliament now you want so kudi ala echi a say wo po bi no be contest
one a contest have no say
ya ko so bebre kwa ko Sylvester mensa right slide tete consequences go here na ko so ho and many other places honorable to hey say nyese nka ye no yi na nim say me support ala na anka bia o ba na kwan so nko contest ne seat bio e wa ye nsu ano enso obi ayi ho we si peg chenchen until we you say opese kodi obi foforo achi a you do it at your own peril enti ama bebre na no genuinely on part of Tabamia candidate na so ni ano enti ma me kama no ntom na me nkoto Tabamia candidate nipa ni so we nipa be ye nipa 30 baby nipa 20 no na ade enti say you hwanim say me de ampani ampa so what I say me MP ana me ye ebia appointee of this establishment na me kwa akoto aba obetimi ahwe agu say asemese ana obenten wanto ama Dr. Baumia pempen so obetia CEOs ahoro Ghana ha nyina kina no one declare ama Dr. Baumia openly member of parliament openly enti ne akoso no wo hwe genuinely bibia ma chese na eye fair contest na no recon
ehuna wom nto bo osro ma me nkoto ne mum te se na honorable kan yi ye konia 208,000 ne be koto dia nipa ne do so enti metimi a kire ne amadwen me pesa me de to enti ne de how ye ne mum ye be koso asre won ne ye koso no eye tan ne say internal election eno so ekuturu kubo efium internal election mo amoho ekuturu kubo and if in fact because when I got to a bay nyina ye nipa ye because when akwadre wo MPP party nim we empanyinfo okay so that when you grassroots it can expect say e benya incident bi awom okay regards to say violence obi akobrim obi apam obi afia enam so mo rak na Japan mi na nyina ba bonten abekasa eti asa nyema no enya fe na no na President Mahama can say they said na Nakufado opage ne ho yi was hard ne ho because aye no wo party wo sebi you mo take na MSC ni kakra bi and some about main election other contested other political parties no so man timi anya no krogen na mabo ene hunahuna ne niama basa se koso a enye fe mpacho general election yan to about Ghana ada nipa ba wotwe afre won kwanda since 1992 let me see that I see and Nana Akufo-Addo hey 2020 election
ya to abewi na open demonstration na hey MPP na ma
hey send me my time okay ni send me my time ya mo fesa this from ni my time ya mo fesa honorable because ni my time ya for dia and na drum beto ma banka sankasa ni evi na mo ni hekani ehia say nipa ba ku ponka na wiro kra no etochima me via me kasa no won afre binom so we do on disciplinary committee na menim won nyina so kese niama bebre ho a senka party no wo balls a agwon antra ho ama medu sa bi MCB na oyi yan amanfo asitirifa ho no wo balls a party no executive no balls a anka medu bebia akodi na enkosi hwi enkosi hu so be ka so be ma kene Japan eden wo be disqualify na ana wo be eden enkosi hwi me wie kra no wo hwa abato na owura apreku wanya bi kra na me bisa senti ono wanto abene bia na wanto onye delegate so your former appointee and the president
no former MPs in count former appointees in count what two bi no
parent
no fathers who say political party be alcohol register were all across the region the people also body was signature okay or that time there were 10 regions in Ghana it one signature share
was in
Dr.
Yeah, myself. It is Dr. Prakun kan there and then na wenya bi kura.
What you say?
Matiasia ma. But sometimes election bisa no, obe bisa say nipa na wo person contest. Wo carry won ho hwe. Eh. Because see, ashase na na nipa bebe hu say Dr. Praku ne ho na fi system
ne vision for NPP ne huge and great.
One fast hard no nkom. NPP party no. So we can system bi ho. And now we need sika. What pa home me shesa na men. MPP party no, won nyina so pass na tenin. Say we fi system no na won ka ho, establishment won ka ho. Na won ni sika. Sika pa sha dan tai because won the one nyama wo ye nyina. Sika sem. Intina man san ba hwa. Sika ni gun crofo dan mu no. Eh, won nya bi good dan ma masa, won so kasa wo betie. Everything na Ghana sika gun crofo dan mu. Dr. Bamia na yentime fire sense so nka say okofes ka se efi ha okofes ka se efi ha no
okay
eyi sika wo na hwe agu no e kire ne nti a Bank of Ghana aboka e print over 80 billion ama bank otisi na yentime hu ba bi kura sika no e koy and what dey ye I betimi a kire say o ampani ampa sempo sika sa fi central government central bank eba bank sema eyi no dey ye na me guess what you say enti e kire na mom Ghana for mom yamani.
Are you saying sika na print e mududo oba me ho ana?
This is a serious statement I shouldn't allow.
Eni ba o me ho se ba o me anya sika say e dey ato voter nipa kukudam say
why na say Dr. Baumia amani sika on the vote here.
O tie ne hopes na do e be kan
wa mobile media na
nipa na oka so treska no treska say influence nipa nkoto obama hena
maybe hope say ntimi anchire mu
edu so be chire
because there are 10 candidates
enyame na me be kan
and I'm say 10 candidates
ne wo
and I know say obi HS sika obi sika oso atwa wan chire nipa o twa sika no on his behalf
nipatua sorry sikatua course me boa sikatua course in the party mpanyemfa won akwadare say na just o treska mo ansa won atimi ato aba to a particular direction akwese how when and how as school for a good school ma won nya aduane ni napco trainees and be abusuma hini won to awon kai and how because Bank of Ghana ka won abono then you dey
ba omi ache form ye dey
ba omi aye chairman of the economic management team
okay
Ghana sikasem obatenia ora campaign be kan nre ya o kasi asem so sempo ndo osusu say Bank of Ghana governor no maybe emlem no kese na mo emlem aban because onim say sika no sabe wan fa nkoto angu ba bi o the man aban otisi a finance minister na hwe sika sem so Dr. Baunia and na hwe economic management team
aban fa sika na nya adwuma
be o so dey adwuma be
on fa nya adwuma
bo se unim aka una yo century me dey o from zemla ni nkomo na okra unim na me na minim o dey here den sika sabi se nya se gu nkrofo dan ma ya fiase hu a dan nyuma na odi aye
na so be sika gu ni dem obi anka se ya ban sika o ana
ya na da be ni be fiase na ye gya nya atwom ne aka no kwai
okay it's not because it's not because it's not because ben be a enka wunti na wun is
be ekwe ka hina sika na na egu dan mu ho tie ni ne awo ko twifi mu $100 million what twi
$100 million
and sorry $1 million
okay
from Fanchebe and about 350,000
euros
yeah and then sika ka ho de and won't me kra body and you no kra presidential staff bibi no ma bibi no so ebi si won di ya ti bebre
oni akrofo ne call so kro no bo
wo kwa no first ka bi wo
yes mo fa ne sika
o se be den sika sa
o so say no
yeah euro wom friend what can pound sterling wom and several other currencies nya ade a ye beka se ye nya katakata sumu aso ma me nan kasa kwa be fa so be chire nska mu no de ye nim se aban kokwa sen bi e ko so na so ti
okay
enya fe
okay
enya ni so se Ghana economy ateto apansam se
okay
aka aban de officially 120 why a haircut amene pension sika what the cut of bond what the paban busia and just wo kokko lekiti ekopsu kira ban ansa wetua ama ne ma nyina ye wosreka
okay
sika sem etin kanya sabri ana ye ho se wodi sika etua yampia na bisi ye bompa ne se won ko no for Dr. Bamian
Bernard NPC a member of the NDC National Communications Team uguso ehwe mu on Badwam yeko na manso akwa diska mulabre aso and otwaye o number e bo anisa game park up next esa ba mu nyina akwa ba BMT o number amwa be pacho awie e bo Mr. Afri Mr. Aba
oh sorry you need some aba
6
na me face ni ye
9 3 7 we any winning numbers no for any anapa tuma modi nyama mutirim kwa
numbers
for them 6 9 3 7 e tu twa no dia we skake say tam where we need some power e we adumienu and nwere no nsia ye be sa the draw from e de abro Alfred Thompson, a member of Baumia campaign team and also a member of the MPP National Communications team. Alfred.
O number C.
Yeah.
2 woman FE no more. 6-9 no.
Yeah.
Na MSA 3 no, MSA no by 1.
1, yeah.
And I drop it to 692 and 629. Yeah, and 926.
Alfred.
Limitations we.
Okay. It's not a draw.
And one a draw ban. We are now konye sika, we can say we sika.
Okay.
Mania. What is an establishment?
Okay.
MPP establishment. You are an establishment as a party.
Yeah.
So when you tell me that Obi establishment party, because it's a grassroots who are calling for him.
Okay.
Or establishment candidate, I'll say yes, he is an establishment candidate because the grassroots are calling for him. MPP is a party, it's an establishment that's been established, and the people talk from ground to top.
Okay.
Into who can say obi establishment, anyone change him. But you know what? This is much on 2007. Munya obia also establishment candidate. And so Lucy elections, meboa, and I will lose it. It tells you that we get a jumapa, you will gain results.
Okay.
We get a jumapa, you will gain results, and that is what happened last Saturday. Let me tell you, nobody should tickle himself and laugh, say, oh, na we there a small fraction because it's 1,000. Most of the times, research of institutions, no, yet nationwide.
Yeah.
Election survey. How many people do they use? Akosua had 3,000 out of over
17
million people. It's almost sample.
Yeah.
So if you go and take a sample size of 1,000 out of over 200,000, back the next phase now. Yeah. Isn't it a sample size? Doesn't it tell you that it's a reflection of what is yet to come? People should not tickle themselves and laugh. And you think, say, you better not say, because
nothing will change.
Say, nothing will change. What is happening will be even better. I'm telling you on authority.
There's 68%.
See Saturday, you know.
Okay.
68%. You know, I gave you why it went below 70. 29 people didn't vote. 29, the 2 and 3 and 4. It takes us over the 70. It takes us over the 70. So your calculations and permutations, back where to be a proxy. The other people are a woman to be back because of various reasons. It is a take us a stock, we should be crossing the 70 mark.
So Crawford majority among Crawford.
Oh, me say yen Fabi na yen JB. Yen permutations both say ebia percentage
out of the 27
out of the 26 number no percentage yen find it to say yenya be 70% no 70% of that number no will definitely come and add on. It will pass the 70% mark.
Okay.
Into some of these calculations now. Let's be real. Yes, you might want to work now. First time one year, so who share one constituency by constituency, people by people, individuals by individuals. Now we are cluster. We are cluster. We say, oh, the people, the people love you at the cluster. Cluster. Ngofu Piamba. Oh, Ngofu Piamba. We had our people on ground. People were not coming. Who could share 3 or 4 constituencies? We put them together. Now, I say, in Crawford, 500, but now we have 200. I was say, oh, my class.
VIP control over the numbers this Saturday.
Because he worked with them one-on-one. Who would honor me be ufie? Na me no be kasa.
Yeah.
Me ba wo area, na me no be share. No be tio, wo ti ho no be fro say, bra fence East Legon.
Yeah.
Na be share me wo ha. Who would you really want to work with? Nipa wa more respect about unchen.
Okay.
That is what happened. And that is what is reflected. And it will reflect all over. So let us not tickle ourselves and laugh. About what do you call it? Osechi means Sandy Okaino. He's an individual who just brought his thoughts out.
Okay.
One could stop college, electoral college, and they say, listen, Sana Yepeno, into Yankonasa. Just like the same way as you say, Yamo Aquancha, Wabetina, was expressing your thoughts. No, these are things, and your thoughts will not align with his thoughts. His thoughts might not align with your thoughts. But watch and dream. On can say, Fichi, the only people who can decide on what can be done is the National National Council.
Yeah.
National Council made up of all of us.
Yeah.
That is the final authority.
Okay.
Nobody can do that. There are just two things.
No, but 30 seconds. 30
seconds. But make be being chair PSA no money as you say. Bank of Ghana is not a political party. So they should stop that their political lineage now. Omope said they don't have any ideas or anything to do. So they want to push everything on Bank of Ghana. They should stop that.
Okay.
It's an institution you don't joke with. It's an institution you don't play with. It's an institution a sanctity and you say because whatever you do, if you say Nipa person leaders are too forced, are too or no why a board member of Bank of Ghana that those times or board member no now you check the gold watch not there nor there.
But that's
those times of Bank of Ghana Omoko I am IMF. No, mudi see me friends the guest house what that any tamale no. What did they do? It's the entire side no.
No can say 2007.
Yeah.
Na establishment no candidate I agree. But Sabana ya 2007. Na necessary for 2023.
Yeah.
Satam ni anything like by delegate go.
Yeah.
Jafe na ya kokto Sabana in
I think the second time I'm here super delegate.
Yes, yeah, 2014.
That time so
today yanko. Oh, Emra, now I'm commenting on my sample size now.
Yeah.
Issues na me raising. Missy. Sample size no. To say oba mo adwuma mu ha multimedia na person we research say multimedia fokoto aba na yekoto aba ekwakoto mpese me research nsa hia no obi wini na me hyen ha na obi a me hia no oto aba ne bi no me ma ne questionnaire say on answer na even if it is 0.1% that is sample size to recognize.
Yeah.
But say me be hyen ha na multimedia group no so you be the kind koto aba ba akwansa ni ye mu CEO ni mpefun pahimfu bi ai kwa koto aba na wo contest bi na CEO no nim say oh asemesu no wini amepe na di pa CEO na appoint won no o ka say won akoto aba ntia no ye sample size and say sample size na ka say won share da NTS.
Okay.
Nti ne ye koto no de sese ya no research team bi ko rounds no mo koye research obi hu say ni ayekoto no enye ade a eye research a the sample size e ba be compare na ye na me catch polling station executives won na yakwakoto okwakoto aba eye 4th November ne say wonya yorishim owura alankwajo kira matenso.
Okay.
Na one to one bas one to one command to yem obi enfini pemu na 4th November onkoto aba no emmokoto aba na onkai say MPP party ne hu be hia pa say you betumi break it na atena ben mu ache na se be break it dia na do ru alankojo kira maten ne kwa
na so wo nyini say Saturday results no ebenya effect bi wo
not at all not at all nyama bi wo ha wo hu eye in house into me Ghana bonting.
Okay.
But when him say a bright ye woni pa bi a na ye very sure say e bi ye constituency chairman memeti wo me region mu and other regions and you very sure so beto abama around kojo chiramatin but you share vote ye nyan na it's a sa chairman funi bi anto amaye
okay
nti wu so yi na wo yi no anto ama nti yes ye be frɛ ne ye bisa masa na assurance pa mo de ma ye
ne ko si say
na 7 penny nya we simi so wona bon ye dey akoto o ya ka kire won si akoto mo na momu no the bigger electoral college is there. And you are too maybe now call on to Amama, it is your own malaba.
Okay.
And you know, Mumia, but
there's a finna caught abandon.
Men cancer on our into young caught down. But I say,
position now. There's a tie.
Yeah.
Between
Francis Adeni and Wacheja. Na me titi bibi.
Mama kama sema.
O le fache mi o. Me titi bibi se. As a Wacheja ko be withdraw.
I want to oka.
Yes,
I think a whole man for should be answer.
Okay.
If so person contest the crana, there's a way I'll wait me here. I
don't know me car pass on President Kufado, the year panic chop. What's all the go?
No. Medical catch us. Okay. Sika 70. Dr. Baumia would do who because Mammy Chro. Okay. What's Tuesday 8th August?
Yeah.
Already I'm on the communication director, in Japan. Ever cancel Dr. Baumia 50,000
allegation.
Until say
allegation.
And I can invite us a disciplinary committee. Invite us a woman party. It remains an allegation discussion. And Dr. Baumia said, delegates of Bamobia 200 Ghana cities.
Okay.
Tema East. It wouldn't even check
Ghana cities. What is wrong with that?
Oh, and down.
What is wrong with
it? Nyamekano. We confirm say I'm Pastor Dr. Baumia. No, Alfred. Na mum say can ye
na pay hoba we bisa me 500 Ghana. Yeah, me the be man. Oh, and also like say
what is this?
Oh, that's
Alfred. If no. Mpacho David.
Yeah,
I've tried to me sir.
Oh, it's
correct. Yes, sir.
Ben, discussing about discussing.
What is this?
Me bisa.
Why is that my mom factor goes all the control put
who the discussion
that discussion limit table so
na say ba me aso discussion for me ko discussion quite
ben Nyameka ko wie ni say nipa say di Dr. Baumia chia e be ye den no nga timi aka no kwara kire papa nipa say e di net utimi bo ntim po twa tro anya wase won atra se na Dr. Baumia chia why you nani so ati ase aje nanim say ono de credibility de on na bo
next America do
enya de a ehia no kwa ntina atura wadi afia so no akira Fredi nko yobi odi no ni kama
e say next America do
actually Nyameka ko si ni say party no agora we di ni nyina no ne Paul Bonne say worry you be a oba be di Ghana ani enye party ne nkomo keke obi a yesusu say what the ne ba in the unlikely event say obi win election a obetimi ahwe Ghana so amayen it me get say MPP for now what trend sa 208,000 now 208,000 now what trend akoto aban sabrin how do fa nga dwen kosi Nyana na Kufuado kire Ghana for me di 2 million man no 2016 December 7th Fenison sanso won hwe ni pan say we no system no support we no bi as yemfa na mra debi yemi sansem won sem awokam ne won sampani pass di Ghana hye won sa wo betimi aye na kwasi nipa na di kan aba no oyi be say am say first 5 na di kan aba no
4 na ba say
okay yemfa say 4 na di kan aba no obia wa abanim de da apart from obia Iraq and Japan onumpo
wa abanim we board chairman of Ghana Gas
this exactly so wa abanim na se sangrofo ba nanyi atena ben mu a emu ba san
ananso nim
emu ba san tieni yo emu ba san at a point no one nyina ye economic management team members the fantastic team and I be wade adman ko wi Ghana na yen hawo nyina economic issues yan hawo nyina ye Ghana sikasama ateto apansam bosia bebreba sankrofo nyina di anim eje abru Ghana so ene mo fra se yan wo won po yan a tro won ka to hwen won enya no enya ho fe enya ne obeje sika akwa di ne na o kira bi audio hardware ya kwasi da me ka ko si ni se e de ne edikan ye twen ne atisu edi yan de bon price of one for Dr. Baumia mra
so confirm Oraboche Yako I step it down.
Oh, yeah, man, say man.
Francis Adem. From the campaign.
Because on Ankasade
or the letter.
On Ankasade,
letter be to Aswano.
It's just you can confirm. What you can say confirm.
O can who say menu what you say or in that because we establishing who say no quite there be obeka. Now me what exposing no there about.
Or can say no be of them.
Oh, that step down.
Innovation. We say can say eight of them because I bet say yeah we energy ministry.
Say almost minister of energy. They are going to team up. It is a stepping down.
But I say, but happy birthday, and your birthday, I wish you all the best. Nyamisha no nyo kese. Kopem se obeye kese pa unyame.
Virus. In the birthday. State House and Company. Virus.
Virus, yeah.
I wish him all the best. I wish him more. I wish him more grace. I wish him blessings. And I wish him baby a ebe buana. Ebe pejana koso. Na ejuma kese so oyema Dr. Baumia no. I wish him.
Nobody see say oka one of the CEOs abo ejuma ya na na Kufuado. Untimi enyi virus in film.
in fact CEOs are oba na the company in there na when we go company no we can go na office na ka na ya abofo state housing company but virus fact and never pedanga to state housing company virus virus and akodu pempensu bi a state housing ukita osika sisi ana alcohol what on down say na ye ton to so aboten okay you can even get a house to buy now very good house and your first now o kwa fisa ko o ba kwa so asedan ko bi ni ho and wo bon don komi na wa be ya de sere abai but say poku ase ho whatever na asase bi no expansion na sana housing system no ekoso Ghana ha eyi pa yetumi to aso saa na alankojo chira matoni job for the boys cash for the boys ono so ba no be to aso the next ni nyina but that's what I was saying like pay 60 years Ghana ni dia banya ba bia Ghana ni dia banya ba bia but I say my microphone nyina off sira me pa Mr. sira me di kakan no is confirmed Boachi Ejako former energy minister has stepped down Ediama Francis Adenimo, former MP of Asante Mampong, se one enkobiem. Enti every ene enkosi hu kwada de MPP pen for finalize the 5 candidates eko November 4th. Happy birthday once again enko Enfema Tokono. Nyami enshta na onyo kese kopem se obeye kese pa. And also happy birthday to Nana Kojo Jantua of Insha FM. Nana, wish you all the best. We love you. God bless you. Ochina and bebesa edesha. Background. It is pronounced virus.
Once you haven't got a letter, so confirm.
Virus